All right, you money printers. How we doing? How you guys doing? Amy's coming up. Oh, baby, look at this. We got SPY coming up too. All right, so I might have bought calls on SPY a little back here. I got some SPY calls. Then I sold them, and now I have a free SPY call. Woohoo! Use the coupon, dude. Today is awesome. So Amy's starting to come up here. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. This is great. So the SPY call that I have up right now is at like 48%. The Amy calls that I have are still down, but they could come back to life. Amy's looking good over here. So let's see what happens. Oh, also I'm out of a firm. I got out of a firm. So the only thing that I really have right now that I need to do something with today is potentially these AMCs and then the free SPY call that I have. But hopefully everybody's having a good afternoon. Let's see. All right, people. You sound drunk? Guys, why would I drink coming to work? We're trading over here. This is not party time. This is make money time. Drink time is after trading. All right, folks. They probably already made their money too. So I still got to work on these over here. So, guys, as you're filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Amy's pumping. Here we go, people. What's your favorite TV series? I don't know. I'm watching The Mentalist right now. It's pretty good. Pretty good. AMC breakout. She's trying, man. She's trying. SPY's trying to do its thing over here. I'm up 40% on these SPY calls, which is nice. Very nice. GME's trying to come up here a little bit too. Let's do a quick Ortex update over here as everybody's filtering in. Let's see what we get over here. So, Amy, it's a Friday. We're having fun. We're making fuckloads of money. All right. 21,000 shares borrowed. Very, very strange that there are not a lot of shares going out on loan today for Amy. 1.46% average cost to borrow. 21.21% estimated short interest. What do we got? Jimmy over here. Jimmy. What do we got? Ooh, spicy. 196,000 shares borrowed. 7.24% average cost borrow. 21.4% estimated short interest. 16.16% max cost to borrow. That's kind of drunk. These SPY calls I think are going to be really good. So I already have them. Shorts borrowed 300K more shares. Are you talking about Stonko? Interesting. SV, thanks for the 1348. Up over $7,000 this week from it. Discord paid for the year. Boom. There you go, buddy. Azin? I think that's how you pronounce your name. That's awesome, man. That is awesome. What's AMC closed today? Yes. All right. So Amy popping up a little bit here. SPY trying to do its thing. GME, let's see. Sup, Georgia Picker. How you doing? All right, interesting, Mitch. Another 400,000. So did it go down to 0 or did it go to 100,000? Yeah, it went down to 100,000. So they borrowed at 300,000. 300,000, I think is what you were saying, or 350, something like that. It's Asian? Oh, gotcha. Whoops. I said Asian. Not Asian. It wasn't Asian. All right, SPY. Time to go on a moon mission here, pal. Send my contracts in the money. So I had the 442s. I got a couple of them. Then I made it free. Now I'm chilling. So nice to see Jimmy at 92. As Kramer says, it's only worth 25. Fuck him. That's what I have to say about that. Sorry. I'm feeling good today. We made a lot of money today. As long as I'm making money. What is it? How do you pronounce it, though? Is it Asian, or do you think I said that? Let's see. Dan, what's up, buddy? How you doing? SoFi at $10. There you go. SoFi at 10%. Yeah, I mean, a firm was doing numbers over here. I'm out of it now. I think I sold the last one at like 380%. Still solid. Trey Gabe and TMI streaming. Oh, that's cool. Let's see. Light number 35. Patrick, appreciate that, buddy. All right, folks. Let's have some fun today, huh? Guys, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Let's see if we can find some more plays going into close and see what we need to do on the plays that we already have. Hopefully, I mean, I want to see AMC above 16. That's what I really want to see. 16 on Amy. 50K sell wall on 16. Well, let's bust through it. I really want to quit the post office and do 1348 full time. I would say you can't really do it full time until you've got like 100 grand, 200 grand, where you can take those smaller positions and make a shitload of money. Like, you want to quit your job when you're like making shitloads. Like shitloads. Turned 40 bucks into 300 just having fun today. Not a hedge fund. That's what we want to see there, man. Good for you. Congratulations. They're drinking? Well, I can't go over there. I'm streaming. Let's see. You made 2,700% on a $5 Tiger call. There you go. Maybe after TMI is done, they'll all come over here. That'd be fun. Little Friday craziness. I do have booze somewhere. I know I have. Oh, I have book. Let's see. So let me see if I can grab it. So give me 1 second. I see this. Okay. So when my parents moved, they were like, we don't want any of this alcohol. Do you want it? So I have this. This is literally full of alcohol. This, I think you can see it. This is literally full of booze. Let's see what we got over here. We're going to have some fun. We're making a bunch of money. Let's see. Oh, I bought this. This is pretty good. It's like blueberry vodka. That's kind of cool. Oh, cool. Jameson. Nice. We got this beast right here. I'm telling you, there's a lot of cool stuff in here, people. Oh, tequila. If any of you guys want this, I'm not a tequila fan. We got whatever the hell this is. There's some wine in here. There's just like lots of stuff in here. This is crazy. Like, this is just wildness over here. Oh. So that was the box that was in my car full of all open containers that was in my backseat for a while. Everything but Tito's. Party have VIXs tonight? All right, man. Be careful, STV. No fingers grabbing all those bottles. He's relapsing. I'm not. I don't have a problem. I haven't drank in forever, dude. Let's see. Tito. There's no Tito's in there. Actually. Look what I found. I forgot I had that. All right, that's funny. Dude, do you know what we're going to Okay, this is what we're going to do. Okay, next week, I'm going to empty this Tito bottles out, and I'm going to put the liquid IV in the Tito's bottle. It just freak everybody out that's not in the chat right now. They're going to be like, whoa, 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 whoa. There's some Tito shards in there. Yeah. My finger's still good, though. Dude, just because I have it, I don't drink it. Like, I haven't drinking forever. Oh my God. Hit the like, you people. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. We're going to have some fun. Spy's coming up. I'm literally showing you guys my booze collection. 61% on spy calls while I'm showing you guys just the random amount, the random amounts of alcohol that I have in my apartment. Tito shots? No. You need some Woodford Reserve? No. Okay, so there was a bottle. This is the silly part. There was a bottle of like Macallan. Wasn't 18. I think it was the higher one. There's one above. No, 15. And there was like this much left in it. Like tiny, tiny, tiny little bit of like, and it just evaporated, I think. And I was kind of pissed about it. You're drunk, go home. Did you notice he grabbed the bottle with the hand that he didn't hurt? Oh, just messing with you. All right, we're gonna try something here. It's gonna be a struggle over here. Oh no! Oh, this is the bad hand. Oh, all right, this needs to go away. I'm not touching that. That's flashback. All right, Spy's doing good here. We're printing. Micron looks like a potential Head and Shoulders. Yeah, maybe Micron puts. Okay. So when I sold the Affirm, I went to go switch to puts. And then it just kind of bounced, and I was like, yeah, I lost like $8. I was like, this is silly. Why push my luck? New highs on the SPY. Here we go. Is this turning into trade spotting? Was that trade sloshing? Let's see. All right, folks. Yeah, where's Micron? Head and Shoulders. Oh, yeah. Maybe. SPY. Print for me. Sobriety test. Print a chart of AMC and walk the... I don't have a printer. So that would be difficult because I just don't have a printer. Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Alrighty. SPY rip into close. That's what I'm thinking. That's why I have this free contract just kicking around on the S&P. Ooh. Nice. 59%. Again, I think the only loser. Wait. I know I lost on charge point. I think that was it. I think the only loser today was charge point. And then everything else was just moon mission printer. New highs on the SPY. Now he'll show a stash of weed. I actually don't have that. All right. SPY's ripping. Amy's coming up a little bit here. Actually, I could exercise these. That would be funny. I can't. I'm not gonna do that though. It's not big enough difference to make it worth it. 65% on the SPY. Nice. Didn't you lose on the Micron? Oh yeah, Micron YOLO. Thank you, STV Squirrel. Yeah, so I lost on charge point in the Micron YOLO. Don't get too drunk around Gabe. Guarantee he would shave off your eyebrows. No, he wouldn't. He would take care of me. But I'm usually the one that takes care of people. SPY new highs printing over here. Amy 16. Let's go. Today's a great Friday. Gonna pour a drink out for you, STV. Venti hedgy tears. I appreciate that, man. I hope it's a good one. Yeah, I lost on the Micron YOLO. I forgot about that. Technically, if these Amy calls don't go green because they're red right now, that will be a realized loss. But it doesn't really matter. It's just getting more cash into the cash balance, which that's what it's all about. That's one of the main things that I learned from that other streamer, Josh, Stock Market Live, that I used to watch. It's all about the cash balance. Kind of sus. What happened? Let's see. Squirrel reveal today? Oh, we could do that. We could do that. How about we do like last little while, Squirrel? Last like 30 minutes. You want to do that? I promise I will behave. Squirrel, we can do that for like the last 30 minutes. How about that? Let's hold it. Let's hold what? Dude, this bottle of Tito's is freaking me out. I'm just kidding. He would take care of me. He would make sure I didn't do anything stupid. Okay, let's wake NVIDIA back up. Do we YOLO? How much time do we have? We got a half hour until we get to decide on what we want to YOLO. SPY's just making new day highs. What's Apple doing? That's an interesting one. Is Apple popping? No. What about Tesla? See, Tesla's above 900. Let's see. SPY coming up, wanting to make new highs over here. Amy, 5-minute MACD cross. Oh, I got the SPY right here. This is where I got it. It was the 5-minute MACD cross. It was right here. This candle is where I got it. 12:30. Elbows at 16? No. How about puts on hood? Just do it for the culture. Oh, SPY gold. All right, what am I up on those now? Oh, cool. 78%. Thank you. Thank you very much. Guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button to engage with the content. I know a lot of you guys are printing over here, so it's all I ask for. Just engage with the content, help get this out to some more people so we can get more people printing. Check out XLF, better than TLT. XLF is financials. TLT is just bonds. TLT doing its thing. XLF is just financials. XLF, 1348 cross and ripping. All right. Just moon mission over here. Wait, if XLF is ripping, why does it? What about JP Morgan? Yeah, this is honestly going to be better. If it goes, which it might. Oh, these are literally cheapies. If SPY keeps coming up. YOLO. Okay, so I have my YOLO. My YOLO is JP Morgan. JP Morgan Chase. JP Morgan Chase. Yeah, Squirrel. That was actually a good call out here. I think banks are running right now. If SPY continues to run, it's going to push these banks up. 82%, 83% on SPY calls. Boom. Thank you. JP Morgan's a slow mover, though, so this is going to be interesting. Every dollar Mullen goes up, I make $1,000. Well, that's you have 1,000 shares. Quick maths. Mullen going to rip? Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. JP Morgan's my YOLO for the afternoon. Bank stocks. Let's see. It's got a 1348 cross. I'm way late on it, but it's tiny. I spent $150. I'm currently down $5. Let's see. There's a corporate bond sticker. Yeah, LQD and HYG are the bonds. Are the corporate bonds. Where's this on the 1 minute? Yeah, it's got some room to come down. I just think the SPY can go moon mission into close, man. Oh, might be down a little bit more here. Uh-oh, now I'm down $10. Oh, shit. JP Morgan Chase. For every penny AMC goes up, you make $4.20. That's funny. Your first 1348 on IWM. There you go, man. There you go. You probably printed with it. All right, so SPY's got a new high on this candle. It might just be chilling a little bit here. Where's the 1 minute? Yeah, coming down to bounce off that 1 minute here. All right, JP Morgan Chase. What are we going to do here, pal? All right, so SPY might bounce off this 13 here. Let's see what happens. Ah, JP. HYG is the high yield. So that's like the dog shit corporate bonds. Amy, 15.6. All right, I'll probably sell those Amy calls to get that money back. That's probably what I'll do. Actually, it could rip into close. Same thing with the SPY. We're going to leave this here. What is that? 4,200 shares? I think DM Ohio. I think that's what that would mean. Uh-oh, my JP Morgan YOLO is not working out. All right. Technically, I do have to cut this here. If we're being technical, I do have to get rid of this. Thanks, 1348. Bought 1436.50 affirm calls and sold all for at least a 100% gain. Boom. Printer. Money printer. There we go. Volume on Mullen's like 316 million. Yeah, that's insane. That's insanity. Let's see. Yeah, SPY, I need you to go. SPY pop. JP, time to go, pal. 42,000 shares? DM Ohio, whatever you do, I should just do that instead. That's all right. JP's coming down, which is fucking annoying. Technically, if this is a strangle, I'm green though. Yeah, I don't like this JP Morgan. I'm ditching it because this is silly. No, thank you. No more JP Morgan. Okay, well, the YOLO didn't work. Oh, cool. Nice. But my SPY calls are printing. AMC, it's just bouncing off that 13 EMA over here. So SPY is trying to move up here again to those highs. This so far has been the best witching day for me. Yeah, dude, this has been a crazy awesome day for like everybody here. I still have those AMCs. Get this JP Morgan off my screen. SPY, it is time for new highs. It's time. Oh, it's like 3 cents off, dude. Just bought 1,000 more AMC shares. Now you have 60,000 shares. Okay, who the hell are you whales coming in my chat over here? And what is this? I did not know that we had a bunch of freaking blue whales over here. The hell is this? Where's Biggie? Yeah, see, shark fin. I was happy with my 1,000 shares of Amy. Now I feel a loser. Gonna buy more now. Not a hedge fund. There you go, buddy. All right, Amy. Yeah, 60,000 shares is a metric fuckload. Good for you. Is this a whales chat room? It is now, man. How to make whale noises. Every one of us count regardless of the position. Good luck to all. DM Ohio. Damn, man. to buy you a drink sometime. You own $500 of AMC, bought them with blood, sweat, and tears. There you go. All right, I'm up 83% on SPY calls right now, which is really, really fun. Not going to lie, I'm having an unbelievable time over here. Close to what Gabe has. Yeah, what is he at? Like 62,000, 65,000? All right, SPY is really close to breaking all-time high, or not all-time highs, sorry, day highs. Micron, what's it looking like? Poop. Looking like poop. You have 15,000 shares? Jesus. Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Good to see you back in here this afternoon. Can you imagine what AMC would do if we had as much buying pressure like Mullen? Just saying, much love. Yeah, man. I mean, that's kind of what 1348 is all about, giving you guys the tools so that you can make more money and buy more AMC. I think a lot of people are doing that. Let's see. Yeah, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button too. 1565 is flickering on Amy here. SPY's moving down a little bit. Love when stop loss orders get filled below the stop. Why the hell do you think I put a stop price in? Stop triggers a market order. You'd have to do a stop limit. That stop losses will always get filled below there. Well, 90% of the time they're going to get filled below. I finally understand the 1348 STV. Yucca. There we go. We love Grandpa. We do love Grandpa. Grandpa, thank you so much for all those generous supers, buddy. I really appreciate that. Do you think SPY will go rip into day's end? Yeah. People have been dumping money into AMC for 2 years. They're broke. Well, 1 year. And no, they're not with 1348. They're actually printing. Looks like put Monday, hopefully followed by a turnaround Tuesday. Yeah, maybe, but also a lot of people are calling for puts today on the SPY. It's up 0.5% over here. Grandpa, there he is. There he is. All right, let's see. Where's this SPY contract at? 76%, 77%, 78. Nice, guys. Nice. They were calling a top at 442, then dump. Honestly, I see it coming to here and dumping. I say 444. If it starts to run, 444 and then dump. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super. Grandpa Barney is our grandpa now. There you go. There you go. Have I thought about creating an ankles NFT? No, because 1, it's going to have 0 utility. 2, if I did that, everybody would yell at me for stealing from the AMC community. So no, I will not be doing that. And I think it's kind of wrong to do. Is ChargePoint coming back up? I don't think so. ChargePoint! What do we got? Oh, yeah. ChargePoint is coming back up a little bit here. Quad U has done a bit today. Yeah, Quad U's just been kind of... That was an annoying one. They were voting on the uranium stuff. So, I mean, I feel like those Aprils that people were getting were probably the better play. Yeah, Grandpa, how are you feeling? The NVIDIA just keeps ripping? I don't think so, does it? It's trying here. New highs. Just got a 5-minute MACD cross. VIX. What's up, Jason? How you doing, buddy? What's the option chain on Mullen? It's weird. They got nothing from 250 to 4, which I don't like. 250 then 4. It's like, there's no bid on this. Like, this is like red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag. You don't want any of that stuff. You run away from stuff like that. Mullen is just better for, in my mind, it's just better for shares. Ford going crazy. Which way? Down? Oh, what the shit is going on here? I wish I saw this little 1348. Oh, man. That freaking, what is this? 60. Oh, that's barely a move. It just looks big. If you look at it like this, it's barely a move. Like, this is all stretched out. It looks big, but it's only from 1646 to 1669. That's not that big of a move. Let's see. Matthew, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Your weekly Dollar General reward. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Just made 70% on SPY calls. 1348 is the shiz. Happy Friday. There you go. But dude, Ford moon mission right here. Maybe Ford should have been the YOLO, you know? Let's see. Went ahead and took 200% gains on your free riot. Yeah, I took like, I did that on my affirms. My SPYs are now up 59%. Let's see. It's coming back down to touch that 13 on the 5. Where's that right now? Yeah, 442.03. If it doesn't hold 442, I'm probably out. 400 shares at $2. Damn, son. Riot price target 49. I don't really care about price targets, like at all. Like zero. I don't. Like why? Who gives a shit about what an analyst says? Fuck them. That's how I feel. The analyst is just some kid usually, or it's just some dude that's like, this is what I think it is for my analysis. Fuck off. I don't care what your analysis says and your stupid Excel models that aren't right ever. Sorry, that was a side note. That wasn't directed at you, Casey. That was just directed at the whole finance industry. How they're stupid. My grind is killing me. Went to lunch, now down 55%. Stop loss. Stop. Trey's mustache. Just if you're going to leave the screen, set up a stop loss, bro. You're killing me. What expiration do you play? The 1348? The closest one always. All right. SPY just broke 445. Gonna take my gain. 51%. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Just kidding. Not yet. Now bye-bye. Hey, there it is. Filled it. Filled it. Let's see. David Morgan, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Bro, crushed it this week. Here's some dollars. David Morgan, I appreciate that, man. Thanks for paying the plug. You made 8,322 on Mullen, putting $5,000 in AMC. There you go. Oh, we got the Mask Gang coming in here. Hold on. Let me shoot him that link. I'll shoot TMI the link. I'll shoot Gabe the link. Let's see what we're going to get over here. Link. It's link time. My grind is about to break the head and shoulders. Fuck, down. What time is it? 1:42. Mask Gang, what's up, people? How you guys doing? Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. Ah! Shoot trade the link too? If they're all around, I will get them all on here. Shoot trade the link too? All right, I'll send everybody the link. I'll send Gabe the link. I'll send Trey the link. Where is he? There he is. Let's see. I'm just shooting links out, bro. Shooting shots in the DMs. They're all around? All right, I just sent everybody the link. Let's see who pops in. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with getting some more people in here. Let's see. Trey's mom's a legend. Let's see here, folks. All right, I'm out of the... Oh, we just got one blue. Oh, he's back. I heard you were causing a seed on TMI stream.
Yeah, man. dude, check this out, right?
Yeah.
So Trey's mom was there. That's cool, right? It's like, oh, Trey's mom, dope, right? And then we're looking at Trey's feed. Her feed on Twitter.
Yeah.
She actually has a picture of Trey dressed as a girl.
Absolutely wild.
I heard you guys are going wild over there.
Absolutely wild.
Yo,
YouTube,
I said,
cut off my chat again.
Shit.
No, they didn't, bro.
YouTube cut off my chat again. Like, YouTube disconnected the chat from Restream. Maybe it was Restream. I don't know. Something happened. I stopped seeing messages like halfway through.
Yeah.
Gabe,
So I said, holy shit, Trey was the original transmephrodite.
Oh my god, dude! People were in here. They're just like, bro, they're going wild. I was like,
This made me do it. This made me do it. This made me do it,
dude. Look at this. Ready? I found a bottle of Tito's, and then I literally I showed everybody the box of booze that I just have right here. There's just shit in there that I just have not used because when my parents moved, they were just like, "You want it?" I was like, "Fuck it, why not?"
Dude, I called Trey's mom a MILF. That's supposed to be a compliment in like
modern
era, right?
Oh my god. I was just like, what is going on? And she's like, thank you. And then I don't even know what Trey said after that.
I just need her to know that, I'm a good example for her son.
You are a good example. You're a very good example.
Oh my goodness.
We got Trey's Mephrodite new account. It happened.
Oh, is it there? Is it in there somewhere?
Oh my God, it's happening.
Oh,
no.
Put Gabe in the penalty box for 5 minutes.
Put him in
Yeah.
timeout.
No. Oh, you guys could call me a jerk. Whatever. You know what? I'm the straightest dude you'll ever meet.
That's what she said.
Ooh.
Ooh.
What
That is smooth. That is
Mhm.
smooth. That is smooth. All right, so the bozo here. Hi, I'm Gabe, also known as Review Dark. Just so you know, Shimo.
Mhm. Unless you're talking about me,
Oh, we got
then don't call me a bozo.
Who's
Call
calling
me
you a
your
bozo,
girlfriend's
TMI?
boyfriend.
Who is he? Let me at him.
No, I'm saying call me your boyfriend, your girlfriend's boyfriend.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
This
here.
is why we can't have nice things. Dude, TMI, how was the trading day today, buddy?
Not as good as Gabe's. God
Dude,
damn, this
Gabe
guy had
fucking-
this 700% off the
over here making
get-go. Oh
covers.
my goodness. I was just like, what the hell? Oh, damn. Mine is going through a
I
little
just
bit of a
just
pullback.
want people to know that is not my norm. That is not my norm. Okay,
No,
it was a wild day. Yeah, it was 70K, but I'm still waiting for the market to signal me so I could play it free. That is
Yeah.
not my norm.
I got after we got off Gabe at lunch, I got some spy calls, made it free, and then I just got out. So I did another one, but I took the affirm too. The affirm's gone now. That was nasty.
Dude. All right, I swear to God, check this out, right? So, it's the Aston Martin key fob. It's damn near it's a weapon.
Ooh,
it's
I
a
got
weapon,
mine
right?
right here too.
It's a fucking weapon.
Come on.
But, right? You go ahead and you put this key fob down at the bar, right?
Yep.
People automatically assume. Let me get this up there. Let me get up there. Zoom out. People automatically assume it's a fucking Chrysler. Because it looks like a Chrysler. I'm like, oh, Jesus Christ.
Black Diamond says, "Lol, team, I wouldn't read my super. Happy weekend, gents." Thank you, Black Diamond.
Oh, let me go see what he said. Because, yeah, some people were saying some wild shit. I was just like, yo, I'm not reading any of this stuff to his mom. I was like, oh, my. Well, or at least while she was there. Hold on a second. Let me just go back and check out to see what this stuff was. Because some stuff I was looking at, I was just
People
like,
were being wild.
I was like, no. Oh, whoa. My stuff got tagged up. Oh, whoops.
"Ooh, it did."
Yeah, I can only imagine why.
I must have been really wild. Like Gabe and I come on here and fuck around too, but I've never gotten dinged.
I'm just gonna request a review. They probably just dinged me because someone else was just being an idiot. This is good. And then the first one in the morning got dinged too. Let's see here. Oh, yep.
Congrats on the Chrysler, Gabe.
Yep,
Dude.
I like
I
it.
think
Go ahead.
I might have had like a 30-40% day today.
I love it.
Ooh.
And it was all making stuff free. Like the free strategy, I like it.
So I got a question. Did you notice if like your stream like got shut down when the cock came into frame?
Oh,
Does YouTube have that technology where it's got recognition for like a massive cow fucker penises? Because that's what the hell that is.
It was Dwayne's fault.
It was Dwayne's fault. I'll tell you this though.
Fault.
The first time my channel got taken away is because Trey jumped on the channel and mentioned fantasy football.
Oh, I remember that. I was at the gym when that happened.
So I think it could be him. I think he's the one that slowly comes onto my channel and shorts it. I think that's what happens. He's like, he's like, I'm bored today. Let me see what I can do here for fun. Oh, let me go make T-Mi's life hell. Short it. Oh man.
Yeah, cock recognition. It's new.
It's like Face ID.
Oh, okay, let me go see here. Let's go see. What did he say?
Imagine that, right? Like you're dating a chick, she's trying to be slick and unlock your phone, and like she just can't, and you're just like, baby, gotta whip my dick out.
Oh my god. Oh
Short the VIX, can you confirm or deny these claims, please?
about the new Apple feature?
About the feature of you whipping your dick out. That's what Gabe was talking about.
Oh, I don't think Apple has that capability yet, but I think it's definitely something they are going to roll out in the new Apple event.
I think Android came out with it first, but Apple will probably just adapt to it later on. Try to make it a little bit different. Try to differentiate themselves from the market. I understand what you're saying there.
I think so too.
Yeah, I think so. That's what you
Wait,
call.
wait, are we really? Wait, are we talking about dick recognition? We're still talking about that?
Well, see, the thing is this: you can just put on your phone, and then you can open your phone up without having to actually use your face. You just put the, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You just slap it right on the.
You're saying I'm about to get dinged too.
Oh, your thing's about to get.
Not a headshot. I think Gabe
guys,
is my new favorite thing. Dude, it's contagious.
The puts for 890 for Tesla are about to freaking print.
I want Micron puts right now. That's what
Oh my gosh. Got them at 165 and they're now currently 246. These things are running.
Micron breaks this 200. I'm in. I have 9 minutes until I get no longer allowed to do it.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do like cock and lock. I mean,
Wait, what?
I wouldn't be able to do the cock and lock since everyone's still talking about it.
Cock, lock, and drop it?
No, I wouldn't be able to do. I wouldn't be able to do like the cock and lock on the phone because I'm like built like a baby. So.
Oh no! Oh
no! You know it says I cannot recognize the face. It'd be hilarious.
7 pounds, 3 ounces, 21 inches.
Oh my god!
Here he goes! Here he goes! All right, I got him.
Damn.
Wait. Oh.
Okay. This is decent. Okay. The
Micron down girl.
The puts are going to be in the money in 2 freaking seconds.
There you go. I got a couple of Microns for a YOLO. I did lose on the call side this morning, so I'm trying to make it
coming back. Everyone said, "Don't get them. Don't get them. Tesla's going to rip." I was like, "All right."
SPY's still chugging along here. It's
Tesla
just topping out though.
It is. That's the thing. Watch the volume exhaustion. The volume is going down while the stock's still going up.
Yeah. Oh, here comes Micron too.
Down she goes.
Down girl. AMD puts, those will probably be all right too. If Micron breaks 79.50, that'll be spicy to the downside. That's open.
271.
That's the open price. Oh, 79.30. Same difference.
And look at that. Okay, so hold on a second.
Thanks to 1348, took the LMT put 400%. Jesus.
Those things move.
Lockheed's fun to trade.
Yeah. Honestly, even SPY puts.
These Microns. Jesus.
End of the day, SPY puts would still be good. Mullen's at 293. If Mullen, this is where retail gets fucked. If Mullen can't hold 250 today, I would be pissed for retail. Like I would be pissed for retail.
I hate that they don't have a 3 and a 350 on the chain anywhere.
No, they don't want that. They know what they're doing. Because they would only put that in there if they have enough time to make money off of it.
Right.
I think it was like the gamer ramp was already too stacked. They're like, yeah, if we add this in there, we're just gonna be adding to like
because they just have to buy it. They would just have to buy the shit out of it.
Exactly.
All
right, guys, listen, I'm gonna jump off. Boys.
Later, buddy. Thanks for popping in.
Great one. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't be chickens. And let me see here. AMC hits 58.61. U3 show ankles, and it's my time to go. Catch you guys in the
Not a hedge fund. 6 minutes until margin calls. Yeah, TMI, you want to make those margin calls, buddy?
Oh, I'm gonna make those margin calls. It's that time right now. Here we go.
Woo! Micron puts printing. Here we go, dude.
Wait. So you got Cheetos? Are you sipping on Cheetos yet?
No, I'm gonna have lunch or dinner with my mom later. I gotta drive. On my birthday, though, on the stream, I'm going to get fucked up. Craig says DD Chinese stock did $4, 324 put stop. Interesting. Let me look. Dude, I might just take these Microns right now. 36%. This is nasty. Where's Didi? I'll look at this really quick. Gabe, you trading anything right now?
No, not yet. I am waiting.
You don't want to hop in with Micron with me? Why not? I'm up 41% right now.
With Micron?
Yeah.
On a put?
Yeah. So we just got 1348 cross, closing candle below the 200.
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
I'm going to be quick with this one. I think. Maybe I'll make it free again. Oh, I can. I think.
You can't make it free?
I can make it free right now, I think.
Okay. Hold on.
Let's give it a minute and then I'll see.
I am waiting. Look at NVIDIA. I want this thing. I want it to go down because
Micron's been the lagger today. So NVIDIA's up 5.33%, but Micron just sucks.
Yeah, it sucked. But I'm looking at NVIDIA, whether it happens today or Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah.
Once you see price action really take below the 13 and the 13 crosses below the 48, you know where the next stop is? The 200.
Ooh.
And the 200's there at 250. I like 250 for NVIDIA because if we go ahead and we look at the daily here, let's see, 250. 250 looks to be...
Oh, here it comes. Oh, it wants it.
It
250 on
wants it.
NVIDIA?
Yeah, I feel like 250 is its range for what it is right now.
Yeah. I think you might be right. Well, it's a little overextended right now. I mean, it's ripped up and flattened out. Oh, now I'm up 63%. Fucking Christ.
Yeah. I want that drop. I want that drop back to 251. I will be playing 251 puts, but I don't care. If it drops down to 255, I'm still printing. So
right.
Don't care.
For what week? Next week?
I'm probably gonna do it next week. But if I see the cross today, I'll play it today.
Okay. Yeah, I've got Micron 79s that expire in like 2 hours. And they're printing. SQUIRREL's up 100% on Micron.
Okay. So I wanna bring up something, and don't blame me. The whiskey's talking.
Oh boy.
Great. Here we go. So everyone's
hey, no trading while drinking, Gabe.
No. That's trust me, I know a guy. He'll do it for me. So check this out. So what has everybody in Mullen right now? I just really want to ask that $1 million question. Why is everybody in Mullen? Or why is everybody rooting for Mullen?
I think short exempts, the previous short interest, it being on the threshold list, and cost to borrow. And I think a lot of people, like M. Kriegs has been in it for a while, just based on like the long-term potential of the company.
Okay.
But I'm not in it. Oh, fucking.
Hold on. All right. So now the next question in this. Do you believe it can take a market share away from other EVs? Do you truly believe that?
I haven't done enough research into it, so I have no idea.
All right. So here's the deal. Right. We had talked about this in private Discord. There are a lot of EVs coming into play right now. EVs are like, if you're an EV company, you're a hot thing. Just sort of kind of like last year before, weed stocks were the hot thing.
Yeah.
Right? So
they are winning a bunch of awards though for like their battery and stuff. I think they're pretty solid fundamentally. That's what I've heard on it. I've heard it's decent.
Right. Pretty solid, right? But you still have to compete against juggernauts like Tesla, and you have to compete with the ICE big threes. You're going to have to compete with the Chevys, the Fords, those guys, right?
Yeah.
You really think? Well, first off, Polestar. I like Polestar better than I like Mullen as an EV company.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's get to the root of this. If you guys are in this, and Lucid. I'm a big fan of Lucid, right?
Oh, I know you like the Lucid.
Oh, I love me some Lucid. Here's the deal. If you're in this to make money, if you're in Mullen to make money, right? Chances are a lot of you are in it to make money. And that's what makes me nervous. That's why I will not play Mullen to the upside. Because again, you didn't do enough research to say like, okay, yeah, Mullen, this much market share, et cetera, right? And then you brought up good points, short exemption, et cetera, FTDs, et cetera, right? So that's the reason why people are in this play, because those plays legitimately scream short squeeze, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Rug pull. I'm waiting for it. We saw it with Prague.
I think it's going to. I think they're definitely going to have another short exempt crazy day. I think that's in the cards for it. I think they're going to do it at some point because they did it. What was the price they did it at before? These fucking microns are stressing me out.
No. The reason why I say that is because everybody's into Mullen play and have never seen a Mullen. I've never touched one. So everybody's in this to make money. So what we're looking at this is a pure speculation play.
Yeah.
Pure speculation play. And that's what gets me nervous. Now, True Demon, his DD is insane.
Yeah.
Insane. But we all saw what happened in Prague. And we all see what happens on speculation plays just like this.
It's true.
So all I'm saying is, guys, be careful for the life of me. It's exciting. It's exciting seeing it go up and up and up. And you're like, you feel like the greatest trader on earth because you got in early, you saw the DD, etc. But the question is, are you taking your profits off the table, or are you treating this as like the next, mega squeeze?
I think that's a good point. I think if you like it long term, cool, buy it, hold it, don't listen to whatever the fuck anybody else has to say. I think if you're trying to trade it, I think the be careful part is the most important thing. Like the same thing, it's like don't put any amount of money in that you're just not willing to lose. The Archduke Franz Ferdinand says bozos. Interesting. You should see our P&Ls for today, dumbass. All right.
Yeah, dude. I owe $6 million in taxes this year. Go fuck yourself.
Yeah, the Archduke, you keep talking nonsense, I'm going to ban you. Join the Discord, get your life in order. That's what we need out of you.
Yeah, seriously.
But the thing about the Mullen thing, I think it's interesting. I just don't like the chase aspect of it. Like I could have, like M. Kriegs was telling me about this company months ago. And I was like, all right, this seems interesting. And then it ripped. If you got in when like M. Griegs was telling me about it, you're doing fucking awesome. You were early and you crushed it. But if you're getting in now, it's getting in a little, it's in my opinion, it's not late. It's just, there's much more risk associated with getting in now, in my opinion, than there was just because it's gone crazy. All right, I might get out of these.
Yeah. I mean, well, we're dealing with the contraction of an overinflated market, right?
Yeah.
And so, like I brought up on a TMI stream, so if we look at the MAs on the daily for the SPY, we have a death cross. Let's be honest. The death cross just happened. The 50 and the 200 moving averages on the daily with the SPY, right? Then we enter like that gray area where we look at the SPY on the daily with the 1348, and we see that the SPY had recaptured the 200 EMA on move to the upside. Okay, the last time that happened was the COVID mini crash.
Yeah,
we dipped below 200 EMA, broke right back up, and then we had a bull run, right? So considering the death cross at the 50 and the 200 moving average, since that is the standard that's used, right, on the death cross, I'm really in gray area right now. You see what I'm saying? And with that, I'm looking at every equity as just fair play. I don't care which direction is going to go. I just want to make sure I'm on the right side of the trend at this point. The thing with Mullen is a lot of novice investors are going to jump into it, not understanding what they're jumping into, not understanding that it's a speculation play. And so they're gonna get emotionally attached to their P&L and their percentages, and then they're gonna get hurt. I saw with Prague. We have a person in our Discord who got wiped out damn near 60 grand with Prague.
Yeah.
You know, and is making that back up with our Discord. You see, so that's what's up. You know, I think people need to just really proceed with caution.
I agree.
Please.
That's really all it is. It's like, if you want to do it, there's nothing that we can tell you to not do it. You're going to make your own decision at the end of the day, and you're going to do what you're going to do. It's just be careful with these, because they're the new shiny thing. Not a hedge fund. Thanks for the super, buddy. I think a lot of people make the mistake of looking at where Mullen used to be on its IPO and think it's going back there in a month. Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, and that Archduke dude was just sending some threatening messages, so I banned him. If I ever see you and you say what your name is, you will get hurt. So that is the deal over here.
In the club, absolutely right. Make it free. So take out original investment and let the remainder ride. Yes, make it free for yourself. That's what STV loves to do.
I love
make it free.
I should have just done that on the Micron on that giant flushing red candle. I still like this with where the SPY is headed right now. So these little bullshit moves over here and Micron are all right. Like, it's coming back up, but SPY looks like it's starting to trend down. So these contracts are only up 13% right now, but we'll see where they go. I think it's still got potential to sell off a little bit. Squirrel, what do you think, buddy?
I'm looking at SPY on
We
the
never
5
want to
minute.
talk about AMC because they all make bank. I mean, I didn't. My average is 26 right now, and I'm trading. So now I'm making bank. You should be trading too.
In making bank. No. All right. STV, can I have 2 minutes of like free roam? Just give me 2 minutes of free roam.
It depends. It depends on what you're gonna say. You still got to keep it in the zoo a little bit.
Okay. Here's the deal. You know. No, I'll do it.
Don't say anything that's gonna get me in trouble. Don't say anything that's gonna get me in trouble, guys. Make sure you hit that like button on the stream too.
No. I just realized what I was gonna say was just gonna drop a nuke.
Yeah, please don't.
It was just legit gonna drop a nuke, and I'm not doing that.
Yeah, please no. All right,
Yeah.
these microns are back doing good here. So yeah, SPY's coming down. I like this right here. I want it at this price, but you know. You guys collaborate on live, definitely better than radio. Yeah. Is it the PH word? Nah, I don't think the PH word is going to save the profit takers today, or save us from the profit takers today. That's why I'm still in these puts. Hunter, what's up, buddy? Is this where you get your blow from this guy, VIX? Let me send him my email. Daddy, thanks for the super. Just like AMC, some stick, some dope, same setup. Yeah. Inappropriate comment incoming. Let's see. All right, 41% on the Micron here. Let's see. SPY's coming down to that 25. I think Micron's going to get pretty selly here. Oh, this move back up, Gabe. It's freaking me out right here. This was bullshit. This is what I hate this. These bullshit moves sometimes where they try to fake me out. Fuck them.
But isn't that exhilarating?
No, I was up 100% ish.
Then why the fuck you didn't take profit?
No time to get rid of it, even if I wanted to.
I mean, you were in profit, right? Well, how much profit are you?
Right now, it's at 32%.
All right, go fuck yourself. Sell it.
Why?
Because dude, logic prevails.
Fine.
You were up 100%.
Fine.
You're down 30%.
It's up 32% now.
All right. So you sell and then reestablish a position.
Fine.
Secure the bag. Always. Come on, man.
I'll sell the
You fucking degenerate gambler. Don't do that to yourself.
I know. I sold it. I sold it.
Sell it, reestablish a position.
I don't have any
That's
more settled
simple.
cash, Gabe. That was it. It's all gone. We're gonna have a lot more on Monday, but for right, I just think it's coming down. Fuck. All right, whatever. I'm gonna blame you on this one. I think the SPY's coming down and Micron's coming down.
Hey, you ain't blaming me shit. You
I
blame
know,
me. You blame your portfolio for not having enough fucking dry powder.
I'm kidding.
That's your fault.
It is my fault. I could have more. I've just been playing.
You could be selling that shiny asshole for extra profit on campus.
I'll take my 30% and run.
There you go.
Gabe is so disappointed in you. It's okay. I still made 30%, 32% on this.
Exactly. You made 30%, man. Like, that's still dope. Was that free?
No. That was the whole one. That was the whole position, 30%. So that's probably, honestly, the smart thing to do here. I'm fine with that. Going into a Friday, it's still above the theta is going to start to get you. I don't know. Squirrel.
Wait. So, hold on. Now I'm going to ask you something, right?
Yes.
All right. So, were you playing it aggressively simply for a lack of dry powder? Or were you legit using logic? Were you looking at the chart, or were you playing it aggressively simply for lack of dry powder?
Look at it. Look at it on the 5-minute. 1348 cross down right here. Below the 200 EMA. Puts. SPY looks like it wants to come down a little.
Okay.
So
but you were up 100%. You were up 100%, right?
I was, and then I sold it at 32%.
I know. And then you have to reestablish a position.
Yeah, next time when I have more settled cash. Usually on days like this, when it comes to the end of the day, I'm like out of settled cash. Patrick, thanks for the super, buddy. Yo, just wanted to say thanks for the 1348 strategy. Portfolio up over 50% in the last week. Cheers. Have a great weekend. Gabe, we're doing good work.
Dude. I'm about to roast your ass right now.
Me? Why?
Yes.
Why? Don't roast me.
No, I'm going to roast you.
Why?
Right?
What did I do?
Because we play with 10%. So you should have had 10 trades today, which means that you were disproportional on your entries.
I did have a lot of trades today. I was trading a lot today. I had a couple of microns. I had the Affirm, I had the Neo, I had the Charge Point, I had the SPY, I had the Micron. I had a bunch of them today.
You had a bunch of them, but you should not. There's no way you managed 10 plays today, bro.
No.
There's no way. No. So therefore, you should have had at least 4 plays in you. And that 30%, you should have been able to reposition for another 30%.
That is true.
Love you, kid.
That is
I'm going to call you out on it, man.
That is true. You got me on that one. Steve, what jumped to DWAC? Probably some nonsense.
Right. So now you got lost opportunity. We talk about risk management. That was lost opportunity. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. That's fine.
Love you, kid.
What are we at today? I'm up 30% today. 30%. Not bad. Solid Friday. I do like the Fridays. The Fridays are always fun. Is Gabe STV's boss or something? Yes.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Right. So I'm gonna be very profound here on the live stream. STV reminds me a lot of my son, and my kid's young, but it's just like the mannerisms, just the looks, everything. I'm like, what the fuck? So it's just weird. It's weird.
Well, hey,
I like to sit in my house. I'm like, oh shit, like I'm gonna have to deal with your ass,
Yeah, I'll be in the same state soon, so you're gonna have to deal with me a lot.
Oh fuck. Oh shit. I don't like when people lose money.
Yeah, no, that was a good sell. That was a good sell on that one. Thank you, Gabe.
There you go.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate that one. Hash, thanks to the super, buddy. In my 1348 video, do you go over entries? I can go over how to enter. Yes. I haven't done the video yet. It's coming. I'll do it for this weekend. And I want some tips on how to do the same. Yeah. So Gabe's got the 1348 videos out there locked and loaded for the strategy. What I'm going to do is go briefly, the basics of the strategy, and then tips and tricks on like what I use to one, not get shark finned and like risk management. And I'll go over the make it free stuff with the 40% and that type of stuff. So I'm not going to just like regurgitate the same stuff because you guys should already know it by now.
You should already know it. I'm going to run off. No, well, turn my camera black up. Be back. Okay. But to answer another question, why is everyone going to Florida? Because Florida, we don't pay state income taxes.
Yeah, it's taxes.
Instant 6.5% rate. If you're coming from California, what is that? 11%?
Oh, it's huge. It's huge.
Yeah. STV, you did know better. You should have took that 100%.
Yeah, I should have taken that one. It was quick though. It was too quick to do. It was like down up. I would have needed to have an order. I needed to have an order there.
That's exactly what you did the last time you fucked a woman. It was quick. I'm out. I'll be right back.
All right. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Let's have some fun. It's a Friday. We made a bunch of money today. So good for everybody. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Whew, looking good over here. Let's see, guys. All right. So Amy over here, 1548. I got rid of those AMC calls that I had. They were down a little bit. Just threw it back in the cash balance. Live the fight another day. New Hampshire, no state tax. Yeah, but it's cold most of the year, and I feel like there's nothing going on over there usually. Tampa, you guys know where I'm going. Miami. You pay neighborhood, town, city, country, state, federal. Whoa. That sounds a bit much, huh? That sounds like a bit much. Spy's coming back up here. There we go. Move to the UK. I'm not going to the UK, please. That's just different time zones. I don't know. Well, I do know a bunch of people over there. You made more money trading this week than you did at your job? Fuck yeah. Micron reverse, Gabe saved you. Yep, he did. For now, he has. He has 100% saved me on that one. Or text on Amy. Yeah, I got you guys. I got you. Let's see. AMC. 100% utilization, 21.21% estimated. The fuck? What the hell is this? How are we at 0.7%, 0.67% average cost to borrow? How? Who did this? Who the hell did that? Who the hell?
Mom.
Which one of you guys did this? So there's only 149,000 shares borrowed, but a lot of them today look like they're getting loaned out around this 0.25%, which is nonsense. So Spy's moving back up, Micron back up. I mean, I got saved on that one. The veteran trader has come to save me. That was good. Y'all need to buy a cheap hotel/apartment in Florida, rent out the rooms, address, for nationwide age, claim for Florida occupancy. We're only doing tax fraud. Hold the puts on Micron. I'm out. Made a nice little 32%. STV isn't drinking. Not today. Yeah, that's nonsense. You guys need to move to Canada. Can trade with unsettled cash, and you only have to pay tax on 50%. Oh wait, whoa, that's kind of weird. I thought Canada had like typical higher taxes. Just watch, says Squirrel. All right, I do like to trust the Squirrel sometimes. He does like it. How to do the options? Probably not. I've told you guys the videos to go watch for that. That's on you. You got to go watch it. It's the how to trade options on Webull video by In the Money. It's long, but you got to watch that. To get an understanding of options trading, you got to watch that. Then you get it, and then you're good to go. You'll rent a room and never be there? No, we're not doing that. I'm going to rent a nice apartment. I'm going to have my nice place. I'm going to be in a nice area. I'm going to have a good time. Can you call TMI and see what happened with his margin calls? Yeah. You got a micro input for next week, lost 11% on my call. Let's see. Do I have a link for that video? All you have to do is type into YouTube, how to trade options on Webull, In the Money. In Canada, your capital gains works 50% of it gets added to your income. That's weird. That's strange. Let's see. That's a super informative YouTube video. Really helped. Exactly. That's why I want you guys to watch that one. Yeah, guys. Make sure you guys engage with the content as you're filtering in. Hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. Oh, Steven, silly retail trader over here. Stock down, bad. Stock up, good. That's essentially what you're doing here. Seeing low cost borrow and high shares available to borrow makes me want to tip prime brokers' head off for preventing the squeeze. Yeah. You have to physically be in Florida for more than 50% of the time to claim residency. Yes. And they track you. They will track you with like your phone records. So careful. Algo. Thank you, Elliot. I appreciate that, buddy. Very good. What vid watched after you told us the first 100 times worth the 2 hours? Exactly. Shot my foot off today, then blew the other one off. Tim, please don't. Amy's selling off a little bit here. Hood up, bad. Hood down, good. There you go, Tony. You're getting it here. You're getting it. Let's see. Trying so hard to pin the price of AMC and GME. You got the same chart. Yeah, sort of. They look similar. Paper account killing it. Real account minus 20. Yeah. You need to get the emotional like experience of like trading with real money. Because like when I was trading this Micron right here, I was like down up. If I was in a paper account, I'd be like, whatever. Like I was paper trading just as a joke on crypto before on like Trading View. And I was literally just like gambling like billions of dollars for fun in paper accounts. And I was like, oh, I'm down $400 million. And I was like, I don't care. It was just how it was going. Like like paper is good to learn, but you do need to go live with real money to really feel it. So yeah, paper trade for a little bit. Once you're like, all right, I kind of got it. And also don't paper trade with an amount of money that is not realistic for you. Like if you only have $2,000 to trade with, don't paper trade with 200 grand. Like it's amazing how good 1348 is. I would have to agree with you there. I would have to agree with you on that one. That's why I use it all the time. How fast did you lose 400 million? Pretty quick. What part of Miami you moving to? Hope and Brickell. That would be the goal. Volatilidad. My problem is over conviction. Yeah, it happens. When you lose, you feel sick to your stomach. Well, not with a 20% stop. Like you're gonna be okay with a tight stop. But yeah, let's see what we got going on over here, people. You got a paper trading account that went from 10K to $1 million in a month on Thinkorswim. I was really just doing YOLO plays. Yeah, like you can't do that because you're not going to YOLO it with real money. Like once you get to like 500 grand or something, you're going to be like, all right, well, we just did AMC Ortex like 2 minutes ago. Just scroll back. Market Maker is up 17 grand this week, not including today. Haven't calculated gains. Probably another 4 grand. Market Maker, you made 20 grand in a week? That's ridiculous. It's called Coral Gables, not Brickell. I've never been there. So then Coral Gables, fine. That's where I'm going. I've been to Miami, well, a few times. But like never, like I'm directionally inept. Practice new strategies with a paper account is a great idea. Yes. Market Maker is killing it. You're stealing from the market makers, dude. SPY coming back up. Micron coming back up. 1348, babies. Set up my charts on Webull. And they are like a lighted path. There you go. Do I speak Spanish? I can a little bit, yeah. I can understand it if people don't talk really fast. But locals call it Brickell. Yeah. So I'm a local, bro. Exactly. Dude, you saved me on those microns for now. That was good. Thank you.
I'm telling you, man. Secure the bag always.
Very expensive to live there. Yeah, I'm kind of hoping that's not going to be an issue. 1348, take me to the moon. And then Amy, we're going to be all good. I'm not buying this
Yeah.
Brickle nonsense. Not a hedge fund knows a guy who made like $70K in an hour. He has a coke and hooker problem, but overall a good dude. I wonder who that would be. I wonder who that is. I wonder
Oh,
who
man.
that is.
Oh, man.
I wonder who that is right here. I'm circulating on the screen.
Oh my god, dude. So my dog is a major Cohen fan.
A what?
Cohen, he loves Chewy. Like I get all
Oh,
my
that's
food.
cool.
Yeah, my dog loves Chewy. But had to take him out for a walk. So my little one, he'll come upstairs. Like he's cool. My old guy, I love him to death. Gatsby, he had a torn ACL.
Oh boy.
And so I think he's traumatized from stairs. So
That's not good.
ever since he tore his ACL, he would never go back. He would never go upstairs, ever. So I had to make sure I check him out. I got 2 labs. I have a white lab and a black lab.
That is cool. I've got my giant golden doodle. He's not here now, but he was here like 2 days ago.
Oh, cool. I love dogs, man. Love
Dogs
them.
are awesome.
Oh yeah.
Full spy back down. Amy selling off. They got a lot of shit. Dude, look at this bullshit right here. Somehow the cost to borrow on AMC just the bottom dropped out of it today, and it's sitting at 0.67% now with 135 million shares on loan. That is it's got to be either a glitch or somebody's getting a deal. Somebody's getting a deal. That's ridiculous.
Someone definitely is getting a deal. Man, I got something to tell you privately when the live stream is over.
Oh yeah, is it good?
It's major. It's major. And then you tell me if we should bring in public.
Can you text it in the private chat here? Do you know how to do that?
No, I mean,
just text
we'll
it. Just
talk
text
about
it to me, and I'll look at it.
Okay, I'm gonna do a private chat.
Miami Vice. Dude, I'm so excited to get the fuck out of Connecticut, dude. Make it public now. We can take it. Guys, you can't listen to Biden without freaking out. Diplomat, thanks for the super. Gabe, driving to you to learn 1348. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Man.
Sends a super instead. Oh, God. Now we all need to know. Maybe. Hold on. Did you just text me? Is it in here? Let's see. Jared, dude, thank you so much for the supers, buddy. Guys, thank you guys so much for those. You guys know you don't have to do that if you don't want to. But thank you guys so much to those of you who do feel the need to do that. I really appreciate it. And you guys are printing. Like, that is awesome. That's all we really need over here. Is the SEC also investigating the prime brokers doing this bullshit cost to borrow and share lending? Today's Ortex pisses me off. Probably not. They might be a part of it, but I would guess not really. No, stop. No.
Yeah.
Don't say that. Do not say
no.
that.
No.
If I'm not allowed to post a gain on Twitter, you're definitely not allowed to say that.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. We'll keep it rated PG.
Thank you. Not a hedge fund. You don't have to send me supers. Take my money. I appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. You made $102,000 in your $1 million paper trading account in this week. Well, that's great. But how about you start getting after it with some real money once you're. I mean, that's not realistic. Like, you made 10%. That's awesome.
That is awesome. All right, guys. So the more money you have in your portfolio, the harder it is to, that's why ARK investment, when they did the 100% return, And now they're
That's
like
it.
down what, 32%?
Yeah.
Now they're down 32%, but they did
Okay.
100%
They're
return.
down a lot.
A lot. But that was unheard of for the amount of money being managed. Because, I mean, how do you put billions of dollars into play?
You have to. She just YOLO'd on growth. I mean, a lot of it was Tesla. A lot of it was Tesla. So, like, when you look at some of those ARK things, like a lot of her gains over the years is just her owning a shitload of Tesla and some other things too. But like, Kathy, like, is okay. I keep seeing this question, Cal, how do I withdraw from a demo account? You can't. It's not real money. We've been over this. It's fake. It's not real. It's not real. They didn't just give you money. No, it's fake, bro. Cal, stop. That's like saying, how do I convert my Monopoly money into... You got to not ask that anymore, buddy.
His mom never took him to Chuck E. Cheese. That's
Dude,
why.
Cal, we cannot have this. This is why we can't have nice things. Cal, I genuinely hope you're joking right now. Cal. Cal.
I'm losing my shit right now.
Yeah. I just hope you're not serious, bro. I'm hoping you just don't think that you're like a multi-millionaire and you're like trying to buy cars and stuff. You're like, how do I get my money?
Forget short bus. He had his own bus.
I know you're 12%, but worried. I mean, look, dude.
Dude.
Bro,
he had his own bus. They had a bus just for him.
I don't. Cal, where are you, Pat? Where are you, buddy? I can't. Got ya? There he is. There he is. He's making jokes.
That was so
Dude,
fun.
Somebody asked that the other day. It might have been Cal, but somebody they kept asking it. Was like very serious. Like, I was like, no, but you can't do it. They were like, no, but how do I get my money out? And I was like, you can't. It's like, what? I was like, that's like God. Trying to go put Monopoly money into the ATM. They're going to be like, fuck off. Indo, sorry, I got distracted. You're up 12%. I wouldn't even look at the Ortex on it. I would just more look at where oil is going.
Yeah. Cal for the win.
What's up, buddy? This is the funniest AMC stream by far. Hit the like button. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind engaging with the content, hitting that like button.
Dude, Cal, you get the award for ultimate troll.
Dude,
that was funny as hell.
Really good.
That was funny as hell.
Wait, so Paper Buddy isn't just cash? I thought I was a rich options.
Like, dude, send me your Cash App. I want to send you real money now. It's like, it's so funny, man.
How do I keep my demo account? I don't know, bro. I don't know about that one.
Oh my god.
Whew, I'm sweating now. That was a tough one there, guys. Spy flickering here. Where's Micron? Am I still safe? Yep.
Yeah. So Drummond wants to know, is it always 10% on the play? If I'm into play, like I'm watching the play. Now, for those in the Discord, I have them set a stop loss, via 15, 20%, and or using the parabolic SAR, which gives you a great indication of where your stop loss should be. But for me personally, I'm in the play and I'm taking 10%. Always.
Yeah.
Always. For me, 10% is just so attainable. It's too attainable. Right? And when you're winning 7 out of 10 trades, that's where the compounding happens. I mean, we covered this on the private Discord.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
Hung is asking, what's the probability of bankruptcy for AMC? Don't take my word for it, but Adam Aaron says 0. Theta's eating you up. Yeah, it's getting you, Squirrel. It's getting you on this one.
STV, I'm curious to know, Where's that option now? Just
I'll tell you. Orders, this one. I sold it at 31. It's at 21. Gabe.
you owe me a hooker, buddy.
Yeah, I do owe you on that one. Thank you. Appreciate that one.
Yeah, man.
I was swinging. That's honestly, that is one of my issues on Fridays in the afternoon and in the afternoon. I'll just be like, yeah, fuck it. And then it looks real good. And then it looks real bad.
Yeah. Guys, my stop loss, ranges at 15 to 20%. Okay. So you guys could literally do Google research, right? Because my strategy is based off thorough research and then applying it to my own rules. But a 15 to 20% stop loss will yield the more profitable trades because it absorbs the volatility, absorbs, that up and down, right? So I stick to that. I've seen some guys try to pull off a 30% stop loss.
It's too much. That's probably not coming back.
No, it's not. It's not. Because what you have to understand is, and I've always said this, STV, I've always said this on all my YouTube videos, right? The chart is a painting of human emotion, right? Now, I'm also going to say this. Can I say this? I will say this, right? People always need a sense of direction, period. Okay? So when the dominoes start falling, others follow, right?
Right.
So that's essentially what happened with your contract there. You were up 100%. The dominoes started following. Everybody else started following. Dominoes falling, everyone was following, and then you're left with 32%. And then now it dipped even further, right?
Yeah, it's still down. What I was looking at here is this break here. This just went down and flashed right back up. And I was like, whoa. It was really quick. Really quick.
Yeah.
Andy's asking if you give alerts of our trades in the Discord. No, that is I've done this rant a few times, Gabe, about copy trading and stuff. I think it's the dumbest shit of all time. Copying somebody else's trades, I think, is stupid. What we do is we teach you a strategy and give you essentially an alert service on when the things that we look for in the market are happening on 350 plus stocks, crypto on the 3-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily charts.
Exactly.
So you're not going to learn anything. You literally are going to learn nothing. With the whole goal of this is so you guys can learn it for yourself and do it. It's not about you making a 500% trade on if you just follow me. If I hit a good one, it's oh, cool. If you don't know why you're getting into it or why you're getting out, you literally are learning nothing and you're going to get burned eventually. So the way that we do it is we just teach a strategy and then are here you go. This is where the strategy is happening. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you to figure out which trades to take.
Yeah. So check this out. So I go ahead and enter a trade. I enter the trade first. Why? Because the market is a self-interest machine. Period. So I enter the trade. Then I go ahead and tell everyone on Discord, hey, I entered the trade here. Right? That's 2 minutes right there. That's an eternity in a market.
Mm-hmm.
By
You're
the
probably
time
already out by then most of the time.
Yeah. Right. So then you enter the trade and then, oh shit, right? I got to go pick up my kid from school. I don't have time to tell you when I exited. You're still stuck in a trade waiting for my notification to exit. No.
Right. Why are you relying on Gate or me or TMI or anybody to do your trading for you? This is silly. If that's what you want, just go pay a financial advisor to manage your money. They're going to put you in 80% stocks, 20% bonds, and you're going to make no fucking money, and you could just do it yourself, and you're going to be paying fees out the ass.
Exactly. So that's where Discord's very, 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 very different. And you're getting the alerts. You're seeing the crosses. We're not telling you what to do. We're not telling you what we think the chart's doing. We're just showing you, hey, guys, this is the chart. We're not thinking anything. Here.
Yeah. The reason why I tell you guys what I'm doing on the stream, I don't tell you guys specific strikes ever. I'll tell you after, like way after, when the play is already played out. It's like, oh yeah, I got this strike. When it's like that makes zero sense to get in, but it's just so you guys can see someone do it. So you can just be like, okay, this is the cross, this is what somebody's looking at, and this is why they're entering and exiting. That's literally what it is.
Okay, so we got Nick here. My question is, where's Gabe getting fed his information from? I know a guy. Trust me, bro. Like, that's what the fuck you want to hear? You know, like, I get a lot of shit from the community. And the truth is like, the difference with me and most people, and most people need to realize that you do not become a successful trader until you turn off emotions, right? So I come from a position, emotionless trader. I do exactly what the chart tells me what the fuck I need to do. Now, the 1348 is where I get my information from, Nick. It's 2 EMAs.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's easy.
That's
like,
it.
People are asking all the time, like, oh, can somebody new do this? The reason why it works so well and people are having so much success with it is because we just keep it simple. Like, all these different strategies and these different funds, they're trying to come up with the most complicated way to try to pick like orders off and trade in the market. But you know what they can't do? Beat the market. Simple strategy, play the momentum, in and out quick, base hits, and you're going to be fine.
Yeah, Fadi, lose to man. All right, good luck with that one, bro. Like,
that is funny. Fadi, that's a
good luck with that one, bro. Like, seriously.
How'd March 3rd go for you? Really good, I think. Really, it was really good for everybody else that was like, I don't think so.
Yeah. Oh, I get my whiskey from ABC Liquors. If you're in Florida, you know.
I have a funny story. Oh, I have a funny story about ABC Liquors.
Oh, is it better than the crackhead story?
No, definitely not.
But please do share.
No, it's not. It's not a good story. It's about. It's not even. It's part of a bigger story that's just like not shareable.
Why not?
It's not even that good. It's not even good. Oh, Fadi was a joke. Yeah, I think it was a joke. I think Fadi was joking around. There is somebody in here. Sergio is a big fan, and he does come in here sometimes, and it's like, oh, I like him, and it's like, I don't know. March 3rd is still going on. Today is the last March 3rd. Thanks, Tim. Oh, SPY with a candle here to the downside.
So, all right. So, STV, you're familiar with high frequency trade, right?
Yes.
All right. Now, why does that work?
It's because what happens is that our computers and the data feed that we're getting from the exchange goes through the broker. Then we see it on our screen. They get the information the quickest. So they're going to see the real price. And then we get whatever the price that we're seeing is, but it's like a time difference. It's literally like they are trading in the future and then selling it back to us in the past is essentially what you're seeing.
All right. Now, next question. How much time do they have to take profit?
Literally microseconds.
All right. And they're doing it, and they're making millions and billions of dollars, right? On microseconds, on fractional percentages, right?
Yeah, it's tiny, but they're just like ping, 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 ping. They just do it all day long.
Yes. So why didn't you take the 100%? Gotcha. Got him.
Because I couldn't. It was too quick. If we rolled back in the stream, you'd see how quick it was. It literally just went like it was flash down up.
But you were determined to stay in.
That's true. That is true. I did want it because it did look good. SPY was coming down. It got that MACD cross. It looked like it was going to come down. I was watching this 25 MA over here, and then this was looking good on the 1348. Then it came up, touched the 200, came back down, and I sold it on this candle for 32%.
Man, I need you to come down to Florida for a week.
And just trade. I'm down.
I will turn
you. Do that when I move.
Yes, please. Graduate first so I can go party up there. I have a reason to be in Connecticut.
Yeah, I know. I don't know, man. I'm going to try, but there are more important things to do. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that.
Yes,
you sent two, Tim? I think, Tim, thank you, buddy.
Yeah, that's dope. I have tried Maker's 46. My thing is Pappy's. Have you ever had Pappy's?
I've heard of it. I heard it's really good. I've never had it, though.
All right, so
like
Pappy's 23 year.
I like the two that people like. Buffalo, I think, is bourbon, though.
Yep, yeah. Pappy's 23-year, dude. Fucking amazing. Smoothest. Their bottles are like 13,000.
Dollars?
Yeah.
Jesus. Oh, I have heard of that.
Yes.
I like Macallan. Macallan's good. I've had that a few times.
Absolutely.
Totally good.
Wait, so I saw you had Tito's. Do you drink tequila at all or no?
I'm not a fan. Okay, so I hate normal tequila. One time my brother brought over 1942 to my house one time, and I tried that, and it doesn't taste like tequila. And I was like, I like that type of stuff. When the tequila doesn't taste like tequila, I like that. But normal tequila, I hate it.
1942 for the win. The thing is, in Orlando, dude, I'll tell you a funny story, right? So I did a Sunday Fun Day. You ever do Sunday Fun Day?
No, what's that?
Right. So in Orlando, Sunday Fun Day, right? You start with brunch, right?
Okay.
And then you end up at a lounge, right?
Okay.
And I had an entourage. We were there. Dude, 11 1942s on Sunday.
Dude, that's a bill right there. That is a bill and a half.
That was
I took my-
8,900.
I've never spent that much. I took my boys to the club one time. That was fun. But it wasn't.
Did you buy him a hooker?
No. But I did take him to the club. I was like, we're doing it. I'm just doing it. I was having a disaster, and I was just like, boys, we're going right now. We're going right now. And I was like,
Yeah.
okay. They're like, all right, let's do it. That was fun. We learned that like when they bring it out on the Grey Goose bottle on like the goose, that thing is like $1,000. Like the thing that they bring it out on, like that's the cost of it for them to buy it. And I was like, that's stupid.
Yeah,
I've
it's
only
stupid.
done that like once, but it's fun. I was like, this is cool. Dude, 11 bottles of 1942. That's a lot of people. That's a lot.
No. I had 6 in my group, and so there's a place I go to, and when I get there, the servers are like, all right, Gabe, which girls do you want us to bring to the table? So I told my buddies, like, pick them. And so we had a party in a corner.
That is fun. Stop corrupting STV. He's not corrupting me. He's not corrupting me. That's not.
No. This is going to be STV's graduation present.
Ooh.
You're going to be a celebrity for the day.
That would be fun. If I ever
got you, bro.
If I ever make it.
I got you, man.
Let's see. Spy rips and AMC watches. Spy dips, AMC dips. How are the apes going to win? Buying pressure. That's why we're doing 1348. 8,900 would take out a lot of student debt. Yeah, it could. GME strong.
Man.
Yeah, GME is looking good right here. Peer pressure. I am the peer pressurer. You guys just don't know this about me. I am the peer pressure.
Yeah. No. So actually, yes, Twilight Zone. He is the peer pressure because he makes me feel younger. He makes me young again. So he's the peer pressure.
I am. Oh, it's quad witching? Yeah, it is quad witching today. So we had a nice little quad witching day with a little bit of volatility. How would you suggest making money trading when you cannot day trade? If you mean like, I don't know why you can't day trade. You should be able to buy and sell things in the same day. I'm not sure why you can't. I don't even know who you are anymore. I'm the peer pressure. I just like to have fun. Sometimes. I haven't had fun in forever. I literally just stream and go to bed. Would you guys change your strategy at all if you could trade on unsettled cash? Like how much you allocate per trade? No, you don't want to overtrade. That's the thing. A lot of people get in trouble by overtrading. 10 trades a day is way too much. You should be taking
Yeah. Also, like you guys call what I'm doing flexing? No, that's real life for me. It's just my life. But I want to give it.
You should look at what Gabe is telling you and the fun things that he's done and been like, damn, I want that.
You don't want that. It gets you in trouble. There was I got a horror story. I'll share another time.
All right.
But I want to give a shout out to STV, right? The kid doesn't get enough recognition for this, and I'm an hour late, but he texts me, Spy, 442. He killed it at 57%.
Yeah, that was the
That-
free one.
That was the free one, bro. I'm proud of you. That almost makes up for like your imbecile move with yeah.
I told you,
Cool.
I took it at the end of the day. I wanted to have some fun.
So you're a degenerate gambler.
Well, sometimes it looked good though. It wasn't like I just like blindly like threw a dart and like picked a contract. Like this one made sense, and I still made 32% on it with a little bit of phone a friend help.
Yeah.
That was a good one. So I wasn't live when I did that, but I saw the MACD cross on the SPY. I'll tell you exactly where I did it. I did it. Is this 5 minute? Yeah, I did it right here. This MACD cross on the SPY when it's breaking out right here. It was tiny, little trade. Well, it was up. I make it free somewhere around here, let it ride up a little bit more, and then I sell it. That was an easy one. Don sees your shed. Thank you so much for the super. This is the English professor who offered to help. I wanted to say you guys do a great show, informative and entertaining. I admire your sincerity. Don, thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Vix, you literally say you do trades just to feel something sometimes? That's a joke, dude.
So Daniel, you're absolutely right. Dude, you're old as fuck. You live like that because you didn't get girls when you were young. Yeah, I'm 40. When I was young, I didn't care for... Dude, when I lived in Chicago, right? I had a best friend, and she owned her own hair salon.
Yeah.
Right? And she was a 12. She was a 12 out of 10. Right? And, you know, I was building my software business at that time.
Yeah.
And she would always like text me like, "Hey, bro, you need me to bring you over dinner, right?"
What'd you say?
And like,
You said yes.
No. Hold on. It's check this out. She would literally go on dates daily, right? She would set up an account. She would set up an account on a dating profile or a dating website and target lawyers, doctors, etc. She would never do groceries ever. And she would just run in and like,
you know what
whatever.
She is? The Tinder swindler.
Yeah, definitely. Thing is, you know, at that time, what was this, 2011, 2010? She was banking six figures. Like, she owned the salon, right? And it was funny, though, because at that time, I didn't give a shit about women. I didn't care. The point where when I left Chicago and I said, "Hey, I'm breaking out to Boston," that's how I ended up in Boston for 6 months.
Yeah.
You know, she straight up like asked me, like, "Bro, you know, like, I've slept in your bed damn near naked and you never made a move on me." Right? And I said, "Yeah,
man.
Not respectable. I called her a fucking trap. Doesn't make me respectable. It just means that I feared her. And guys, when you're making money, you better fear her. Always.
Don't get swindled. No, I don't want to hear any of you guys getting swindled. I know Rands is not going to get swindled. I know Trey's mustache is probably not going to get swindled. Not a hedge fund. I know you're the swindler. I know you guys are doing good. Oh, Amy with a candle? Ooh, there she goes. GME day high. Oh, dude. Look at this. Yeah, Gabe, that's true. I get that talk all the time. That's just like, hey, careful. And I'm like, oh, God. I know.
Yeah. You know what's worse than taxes?
Alimony?
Divorce.
Yeah. Oh, look at this candle here. This is probably like a giant $100,000 swing for Gabe right here, this candle. Let's see. Whoa, Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I was watching the chart and I realized I was chewing on the wrong color crayon. That's funny. Yeah. Everybody needs to protect themselves. Be safe. Moral of the story. Be careful.
Yeah. I mean, since I look at you as my kid, I'll share with you something, right? What's two words you never want to hear from a woman?
Pay me.
Child support.
Oh, dang. Richard's the Tinder swindler? Interesting. Yeah, these candles are getting spicy. This is looking all right over here. Somebody covering an Amy? No, this is probably a little bit of volatility from quad witching. It's just volatility. I'm pregnant. Oh, God. Dude, It's running right now. This is a big boy candle here. This is a boom boom right here. Let's see.
Ooh, AMC boom boom. Yes, love it.
Power hour. Oh, we got 5 minutes until power hour. Let's see. New candles over here. Let's see. Jared, thanks for the super buddy. Did prime brokers run out of shares to lend? I don't think so, because we haven't gotten to all like the high shares on loan yet. We're at 135 million right now. It's gotten up to 155 million. So there's ways to go. We have a ways to go.
So Tommy Gunn says the 2 words I never want to hear are stop and no.
All right, Tommy. No. Stop that.
No, not cool, bro.
Yeah, that's not all right.
No is no, bro. No is no.
600. Stop. I know you're in here causing problems. All right, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Help get some more people in here. We're in power hour. It's a Friday. We printed. You think there will be some profit taking in the last hour on some things? Yeah.
Always. It's Friday.
Yeah.
It's Friday.
And it's quad witching day. Like, it could get a little spicy. You got to set up that trading Olympics contest. Dude, we should do that. We should do a competition. I feel like it would entice people to YOLO, though, and we don't want that. Because people are going to get competitive and do stupid stuff.
And that's why, like, I'm like, hey, bro, like, be careful posting your gains, right? Because, I mean, like, people are like, hey, I want to do that too. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's usually on the runners. Like, I would post it just to be like, this is fun. Like, I post it in the Discord sometimes, but when I post it in the Discord, I never have the whole position in it. Like, I'm already out. I already have most of my money back with money. It's just like the runner that's up crazy.
I love how Lou pays these guys. Yeah, small fish compared to Lou. I love how you pay. What do you pay you in? Like food stamps?
That I'm the 300 ZX guy. He says some wild things sometimes. He comes in here, just says some stuff, and you just kind of let him do his thing. He's always in here. He's supportive, I guess. He's coming in the live chat, but he says the darndest things. Amy's coming up here. Dude, where is that? Anybody know if that sell wall is still there at 16? This is a Lou candle, though. This is a Lou candle. He was doing a trading contest, talking about a trading contest based on percentage gains. Yeah, see, I would say that's a fun idea. The only issue is that people are going to do stupid stuff.
No. We would have to do it in such a way where we hide the dollar amount and just show the percentages.
Right. But I feel like people will get enticed to have a larger percentage gain and are going to hold stuff longer if it's competitive. Like, I feel like sometimes, especially with trading, like, yeah, they're
like that 100%.
Like you're only competing against yourself.
Like that 100%.
Yeah. Let me have it. I still made 32, and then I made a bunch on the SPY, and then a firm, and then the charge point I got slapped on. But that one was a little bit of a stupid one too. That one was dumb. Ryan, thanks for the super buddy. At the start of a play, 15% loss happens a lot in the first 5 minutes. Do you always exit when it hits, or do you sometimes give the trade more time? I love you guys. I'm here every day. I know, buddy. I know. You just say some wild things sometimes. I am getting a lot better at just taking it. Just on to the next one. 15, 20%, stop and get out.
Except for that 100.
I was talking about the downside there. That one was silly. That one was dumb.
I swear, whenever I join your live stream,
it does that sometimes. It'll do that move where it'll like flash come up and tank again.
No,
so I was looking
whenever I join your live stream
on that chart.
Yeah, whenever I join your live stream from now on,
yeah,
I'm just gonna be like, keep it 100.
All right, fair. I like the new thing that I've been doing though with the 40% and let the free one run. I do really like that. It works really well. You're up 1,123% this month. Been here every day. Richard, atta boy. Did I decide the dye color of my... I'm not dyeing my hair. I do need to get a haircut. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow. What was max paint? 16. Yucca. I'm not dyeing my hair, dude. It's not happening. Let's see. SPY's moving up here a little bit. We got Amy 1572 right now. It's looking good. I mean, I want it to do this right here. Did we cross 1348 yet on the 4 hour? Oh, it's close. It's close. We get that cross here, then a break above that 200 EMA. Spicy. And then you really got to look for it on the daily. The daily, it's far. 25.59, it's far. Rhode Island, thanks for the super, buddy. We think SPY rips or dumps power hour. I don't know. I mean, it's been following this. Really, it's been following the 25 for a while and just bouncing up above it.
No, Chica, I'm not dyeing my hair. I will wear different color Yankee hats, but I'm not dyeing my hair. I wear Yankee blue. Like I'm
cold, though. So I can go incognito walking around.
There you go.
Nobody recognizes me anyway, so like I just like wearing the hat.
Yeah, but guys, check this out. Check this out, right? I bet you won't be able to unsee this when I point it out. So, Jack.
Yes.
You do look like Jack Nicholson.
Do I?
Yes.
People say Ben Shapiro. I've been told the dragon from How to Train Your Dragon before, too.
CG? Fucking CG. Oh, shit, I see it. Oh, God.
Oh, man. This is fun. Dude, I love Fridays. Dude, the afternoon streams on this channel have been so fun. Like, you guys make it fun. Even, like, we're just, we're kind of done with the trades for the day. We're watching Amy do its thing, coming up a little bit on quad witching. SPY's just doing its thing. We got Gabe on here, fucking making it entertaining. It's always fun. Let's see. Spyro the Dragon also? Nah, it's Toothless. It's Toothless.
Yeah.
That's me.
Yeah. So after at 4 o'clock, I'm getting a new tattoo. So I'm excited.
New tattoo? What do you get?
Yeah.
Is it 1348?
That's a great fucking idea.
You should.
Yeah. But I'm actually tattooing a $100 bill on my dick.
No. Here he goes again. Well, I shaved my hair of AMC. It's 20 today. No, guys, why do you always try to get me to do stuff? We've got ankles. I've given you guys a little bit, and you're trying to take a mile. I'll give you ankles at 20, but that's it. That's all you get.
I got 3 good reasons for doing that, though.
I know you do.
Yeah. 1, I like to play with my money.
Yep.
2, I like to see my money grow. And 3, I like to see how fast you'll blow $100.
True. Oh, SPY new highs. Let's see here. Dude, there better be pics of that tattoo. He's going to get banned from all social media platforms. Let's see.
No,
right,
no joke.
I wish I wasn't afraid of options. Darn, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Let's see.
She says, show me the money.
Buddy.
Hilarious.
That's a good one. Dude, SPY could honestly touch the box here. The next box. After this box, I mean, this is a bigger one. After this box, there's nothing. There's no box. I mean, I haven't drawn one. There is one up there. I just got to draw it. But I don't have any boxes up there yet.
Yeah. How long I've been trading 1348? Okay, so I've been on and off over the past decade trading 1348. I also did the 920, which is much faster, and we have a channel and a Discord for the 920. I played the boring 5200. That was boring as fuck for me. And then I played the MACD crossover with the RSI. And it was just research, trial and error. But guys, you don't get it. You don't get it. Before we even brought this to YouTube, like STV, TMI, and I remember that call. It was actually in the car. I was driving, and I was
looking at it, and I was like, "Oh shit!"
Yeah. And I'm like, all right. And I'm like, we need to get TMI on this, right? And then TMI checked it out too. And then we had a Sunday conversation, and it was over because the DD was done against the rules and how we were going to approach this. And
Once we
we
figured it out
knew,
and we tested it, it was just locked and loaded, ready to go.
yeah. So guys, I'm going to be very fucking candid with you. The reason why we started the 1348, or the reason, I approached them, was because I was tired of hearing people say that they ran out of dry powder to buy more AMC.
Mm-hmm.
So each and every day when we see you guys saying you're printing, you're up 20%, 30%, 100%, 1,000%, right? It validates everything for us,
Mm-hmm.
right? We're not doing it for ourselves. Sure, the VIX would be absolutely fine just trading the 1348 by himself.
Exactly.
So would I. And so would Team I. But to see you guys just printing, that just means that STV, right? Check this out. That just means you're going to have a lot of people at your funeral who appreciate you.
That's true.
You make your mark in the world. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Like, I know a lot of you guys are really printed with it right now. Like, it's the thing is like, we want you guys. That's why we set it up the way we have, where it's not like we're just telling you what we're doing. We're just showing you how to do it, which I think is much better. Julian, Gabe, tell these guys about GGPI. I'm long hundreds of calls for May. I wish my fellow apes understood. Ooh, you like GGPI, Gabe? And Diamond Dave, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Gabe, you like GGPI?
GGPI?
Yeah, Polestar?
No.
No, you're not a Polestar fan?
No, I think okay. Polestar is a day trader. It's a day trader's equity. You can play this all day, every day. Look at it on the daily, right? And then quickly move to the 15 and the 30 minute, and you'll see this is a day trader's dream.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, this thing moves a lot. This thing does move a lot. Trey's mustache. I need to figure out how to play the 1348 a lot better. I do like it, but don't have it down completely. I'm still down 75% since I started your 1348 account. Yeah, Trey's mustache. We've gone over some stuff. I think what you really need to do is 1, stop loss. 2, stick to the quick day trades is what kind of I've seen from what you've been doing. Because you'll like leave and then you'll come back and be like, oh shit, I'm down 75%. So put that stop loss in there. You can get that going. You'll be perfectly fine. And then if you start taking gains a little bit earlier, that's because it's not about hitting the 500% play once. It's just not. It's fun when it happens. Like the Affirm today was dirty, but it was a free contract. I took most of that at like 60%, 40, 50%. Like I took most of like all 3 of my 4 contracts off at a lower like percentage, and I let the last one ride. And if you're gonna, we were going over this in the private live stream. Like if you're making 0.5% a day, you make 227% in a year compounded. If you make one, you're gonna have red and green days, but it's more about the slow and consistent gains, not about like getting that dopamine hit when you hit that 300% play and you're up a crazy amount.
No, man. All right. People want me to do a live going over the 1348 and how I do it. I can do that. I would just have to coordinate with STV and TMI. So the reason why I joined their live streams is because I don't want to step on their live streams. Like these guys, they're leading the way. I want them to lead the way. Okay.
Thank you, buddy.
But STV, go ahead. You guys let me know what time, and I'll go ahead and. You know what? You want to do a Sunday? How about we make Sunday's Discord public?
How about we do a Tuesday night? Because we do Sunday night private, Monday night private, and then we could do Tuesday public at night for like 30 minutes.
All right. So Tuesday, you guys heard it here. We expect you there. Don't waste my fucking time. All right.
Yeah, we'll just go over
I'll
it.
be here on a Tuesday. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm
Let's see
talking to
what
them.
TMI's at, but I think we could definitely do a Tuesday.
We do a Tuesday and we break it down, and we do a public Tuesday. And again, just not stepping on anyone's toes here because
Tuesday
everyone's printing.
Tuesday will be perfect. Because Sunday we already do the private because we need the two a week private, and then we can do the Tuesday. I'm down for Tuesday. And then
This is funny.
I'll be putting
This
out
is
that
funny.
1348 video this weekend too for you guys. Tuesday, March 3rd, I'll be there. Clap. There you go, buddy.
There you go. Hilarious. So Ron says,
Dude,
"What
guys
if you
making new highs over here? These fuckers."
hilarious? What if you did actually get that $100 chat and you busted out on a hooker and she was like, "Nah, bro, I don't fuck with fake 100s." I'd be like, "I got Cash App."
Oh my god, guys, make sure you hit that like button on the stream on your way in. Help out with the algorithm. This is where it's a fun Friday today. TMI shows his ankles a lot in the private stream. It's out of control. No. What time Tuesday? Probably 8.
All right. No, my hair's real. Like, it's as real as it gets. Anyways,
My hair's fake.
your hair is as real as it gets. So we'll do a public. Now, going back to where I was going initially, right? So people don't give a fuck about what you know until they know you care. And so that's why this Discord exists. That's why I just don't do lives during the day because, these kids, TMI and STV, they're all you fucking need. You don't need me live. I'll come in as a fucking bench warmer. I'm here as a bench warmer, just adding flavor. What's that? Add that flavor to your ear?
I think so.
Yeah. That's how it works, right? Anyways, Tuesday, let's organize that with TMI.
Yeah.
What do we do? We do 8 o'clock usually.
Yeah, we do 8 usually. So 8 Sunday,
Okay.
8 Monday, 8 Tuesday. But the Tuesday will be public. We can just do a restream one. I can do it on my channel. It doesn't matter to me. Let's see. Oh, wait, Ben, I think. Ben, you got an NVIDIA update? They sold my NVIDIA calls today, VIX. Bought it at 108. They sold it at 10. Ben, I don't think you should be complaining about that. I think you did phenomenally.
Be right back.
Jeremy,
Be
thanks
right
for
back.
people. Are you going to show your ankles in the free Discord like in the paid Discord? I'll have my tissues and lotion ready. No, I don't show my ankles anywhere until we hit 20. That's how that works, Jeremy. Here we go again on Amy. Yeah, she's trying to get a little bounce here. Dude, fucking Spy. We've got 48 minutes left, and Spy could literally touch this box. We've blown through. I don't even know how we're going to. Let me see if I can do this. We've blown through. Where is it? Come on. We went all the way fucking down from this box. Through this one. Through this one. Come on. And then all the way back up to here. This is crazy. The Spy is on crack. Just like those people at the golf course. On crack. Oh, where'd Gabe go? Let's see. Correction, we have to close above 20. That is true. We do have to get a closing price above 20 for ankles. When March 3rd. Let's see. If Spy keeps running into Monday, I say it's a reversal. I would have to agree. I would say 450 would really be like, yeah, we've reversed. Oh, he said BRB? Oh, gotcha. Maybe I just didn't hear. That was bad. Let's see. Your Spy calls are up 120%. You sold 20 out of 30 and holding 10 for Monday. Damn, Ben. Damn. There you go, dude. Yeah, GME.
Back. I'm sorry.
I was saying that I wanted to get GME up to, I wanted to see GME at 100 today after Jim Cramer was being a shithead on Twitter.
Yeah. Dude, okay. Yeah. Can you hear me?
He's selling puts with fake news. Spy moving up. Yeah. 1348 strategy has been around for decades. Cool.
Yeah. It has been. But no one's been talking about it.
Really easy for you to find them and teach you a strategy.
Yeah. Wait. Is my audio good?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, fine. Sorry. I had a call. They're trying to get through my gate.
Oh, I remember that. That was hard to do.
Yeah.
There was bad server. We were like, I don't know how to get in here. Let's see. I like 1247. You know what? Big Stout, you're not muted. I just saw you, buddy. I just saw you. That's the first message that I've seen. Let's see. You got auto blocked on Twitter for spamming his feed when he's the one spamming apes. Very true. You made $1,200 today on Tesla yesterday, making $2,000 today. Shout out to 1348. There we go. Chance of Mullen having a gamma squeeze on Monday. It's just that I just want people to be careful with it. Because after breaking these levels right here, there's no contracts until 4. It's 250, then 4. There's no 3 or 350. So there's no gam, and then there's not even enough open interest on the April chain yet. It'll probably get there with all the options expiring, but Jesus, SPY going crazy.
Take profit, Rick. The fuck you doing?
Where is he?
Rick, up 50%.
Call for 520. Take profit or hold. You got till May.
You got till May? No. But see, you could always reposition.
That's true.
Yeah. So don't take what is guaranteed over. Don't take speculation over what is guaranteed. That's
Very
what
true.
I mean.
I like that. That's what I've started doing this week, and it's been really nice.
Yeah, Rick's being greedy as fuck.
Wait, wasn't that the same Rick?
Yeah, pigs get slaughtered, bro.
Rick said up 55 on my 50% on my 75 GME call, and then he also goes and says, "Oh wait, never mind. Being greedy as fuck." I thought he said Rick. And sorry, it looked like your name was in the message. My bad. I'm stupid. You're up 100% on SPY 441. It's in the money. Nice. You're getting close to expiration. You got to do something with it. Oh, yeah. What's up, Ian? How you doing, buddy? 0 shares to borrow on GME. There's always shares to borrow. They can always get shares. It's just how many shares. It'll probably never be at 0. If it's at 0, it'll be at 0 for like maybe 5 minutes, and then shares come back. Let's see. Except for when you did not sell it 100%. You know what, Curly? You're right. Let's see. Buffett
is that verifiable? Warren Buffett did buy $1.6 billion of Amazon.
Yeah, he also bought a shitload of Oxy. Again. I don't know why he's buying Oxy right now. It's beyond me why he's going long oil after oil's already made the move.
It's the Oracle of Omaha, bro. You got to trust that he knows what the fuck he's doing.
Dude's a Big Mac fiend. Dude, fucking cost of borrow is getting sparked today on AMC for no reason.
Yeah. You know, he actually became Berkshire Hathaway with $1 million worth of seed money.
Yeah, wasn't Berkshire like an insurance company or something? Like they weren't an investment firm. It was one of the companies that he took over and then was just like, we're making it an investment firm now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure maybe it was railroad. It was something. I think it might have been insurance. Does anybody know what it was?
No, it was insurance. I mean, insurance is the biggest scam in the world. Insurance is guaranteed money printer. You know this.
Yeah.
So, but he borrowed $1 million.
Oh, yeah.
From like a relative.
Oh, they were a textile. Oh, it was textiles. Oh, that's what it was.
Textiles. Okay.
I thought it was insurance for some reason.
He eventually got into insurance, though, big time. But can you imagine turning $1 million into hundreds of billions? Like that is the greatest crypto gain of all time. Like if you think about it,
which one?
$1 million to hundreds of billions. Warren Buffett. He was crypto before there was crypto.
He borrowed from Kenny G. Yeah, they also Charlie Munger, Warren's boy, is buying Baba. It makes no sense. I don't understand how they can't see that the regulatory climate is so bad for like normal Chinese stocks, and it's been that way. I mean, yeah, they're dipped, dude. SPY new highs. He's
Yeah.
owner of Geico or the biggest shareholder. Yeah. Okay, maybe it was. Insurance was after textiles. Interesting, because I knew it
Yeah,
was
it was.
something else.
It was something else. Mark Cuban. You know, Mark Cuban was down to his last $20 million until he shorted the market.
Yeah, he did something. He sold his
shorted
company
the
to
market.
Yahoo, I think, and then he was just trading collars. He was just doing collars on his position in a bunch of shares that he had, and then the market crashed and he made a shitload of money.
Yeah.
If you guys know what a collar is, you sell calls, buy puts. So you essentially are putting a bracket on your position. So when you sell a call, you're selling the right to somebody else to buy from you. So it's basically a covered call, but then you use the proceeds of that. If you're doing a zero cost collar, you then use the proceeds from the sale of the calls to then buy puts. So you have a max gain and a max loss on the share position. But if you're just holding the options and the market just goes boom, I mean, you'll make a shitload on the puts. So I think that's what happened with Cuban. Geico is the insurance company. Oh, okay, that's what it was. Okay, got it. Yeah, they have a lot of cash too. They need to deploy it. Buffett, because Buffett's all about like fundamental analysis. When you look at Buffett and he's got, I think it was 1.6 billion or something of cash, and then he just does a Berkshire Hathaway buyback because he literally cannot find something to put his money into. You know that valuation metrics and what things are valued at right now makes zero sense. So anybody that comes out and says it's overvalued, it's going to zero, fuck off, you're wrong. Like, you cannot make any sort of determination of like what's fairly valued right now because you have to account for all of the money coming in. Then you have to account for rates, all of the different things that are going on, where things are going. It's an estimate, but it's a bad estimate. It's almost like using Ortex, but then saying that this is real. This is the actual number of shorts, even though we know that it's not. Like, that's kind of what fundamental analysis is right now. So it almost just makes sense. Just trade it. Buffett initially maintained Berkshire's core business of textiles, but by 1967, he was expanding into the insurance industry and other investments. Ah, that's what it was. Not a hedge fund, tell the truth. Buffett just knows 1348. Cuss words, time for a shot. There you go.
I'll take that.
What's up?
I'll take that.
All right, go for it.
Yeah, doing lobster dinner later, so fuck it.
Oh, dude. I do like lobster, but I always end up in the bathroom for a million years after. And then I feel severely dehydrated.
Really?
I don't know what it is. It's like my dad's favorite food. So every single time it says like birthday or something, I'm like, all right, get the toilet paper.
Yeah. Am I going to the club tonight? I might, actually. I'm getting a lot of invites. So
Nice.
We'll see.
I was gonna try to do something with my buddies this weekend. Blow off some steam. But I don't know. I got some stuff I gotta do around here.
Yeah, take your mom to dinner. Wait, is that your
That's what I'm
mom
doing
or your
tonight. I'm taking my
stepmom?
mom to dinner tonight.
Oh, I also have Jack Daniels for your information. I have a mini bar downstairs. Anyways, so you're doing dinner with your mom. Is that your stepmom or your mom?
Mom. I don't have a stepmom.
Oh, because I saw the comments that, yeah, people fuck with you a lot.
Yeah, they do. They say wild things. Do I get a link? Oh, Squirrel. We did say we were going to bring you on for the last half hour. You can get a link. Here we go.
Squirrel's coming on board?
Squirrel's going to come on. Let's see.
Squirrel's going to show his face.
I think so. Squirrel. Here you go, buddy. You ready?
So Squirrel is also TMI's avocado.
Yes. So we are going to get Squirrel, the Spy King, coming on. Let's see. We are going to get a blue boops. I just got a foot cramp.
This is the first time I ever meet this motherfucker.
I
He's
know,
always in my fucking direct messages on
first time.
Twitter. He's great. The dude's
I do have to
great.
go to the bathroom for like 2 seconds, though. I'll be right back. Gabe, don't.
Wash your hands.
I will. Don't do anything stupid.
Okay. Fuck. So start to chant, guys. Fuck. Cuss word shots. You guys know what it is. Fuck. We do that, and then AMC moons. There you go. That's what we want to see. I'm proud of you guys. Chest bump. Fuck. Keep going. STV, I don't know how loud your there you go. You're back.
What happened?
Not a fucking thing.
What did he do? I heard him saying fuck. Oh, I see him in the chat. I see him. Is it working? Is it? Oh, it's working. It's working, guys. You're doing it. Okay. Well, you guys are act natural. Did I wash my hands? Yes. Deke Slade, what's up, buddy? As part of our option sellout process, we place an order to sell 40 contracts to AMCs. Wait, what have you done? Let's see. Where's Squirrel?
Hey, where's Squirrel?
He's coming. I sent him the link. Let's see. The thing. Do the thing. It's sort of working here. Dude, I was calling it. Spy box set. Those contracts are wild. Discord only meetup party. We are going to be doing that.
Vegas,
baby. No way Squirrel is a real person. Imagine
he's a squirrel. He's TMI's avocado. Like, whatever he is.
He's all things.
All things, but apparently Squirrel is using Cricket Wireless to connect to your live stream. That's why he's taking so long.
He might be waiting. I did say last half hour, but he does have the link, so he'll pop in when he's ready. He or she. I don't know if it's a she or a he. Someone say Vegas. Oh, Vegas Chef Andrew. What's up, buddy? I washed my money. Rhode Island. Thanks for the super, buddy. Minus 12% on Exxon, but 47% on Micron puts and 105% on SPY calls. Rhode Island. Thanks for paying the plug, buddy. Rhode Island, I'm glad you're killing it. Do you still have all of that silver kicking around?
Silver?
He did have a lot of silver. Did Lou stop buying? Maybe. He might have finished his purchases for the day.
I like Gabe's nutsack.
What? Who said that? Is that an account?
So somebody wants to change their name. No, can you just change it to Gabe's Diamond Encrusted Nuts? Thank you.
Oh, we got Squirrel.
Hey, what's up?
Where is he?
Squirrel.
Finally, the face reveal.
What's up, Squirrel?
Holy
How's my audio?
It's good.
It's good. Dude, you ugly fuck. It's the first time I ever meet you. You're always in my DMs, man. What an honor. What an honor, bro.
Yeah.
Like I'm humbled by you. I'm humbled by you, man. What a fucking honor.
Yeah, I went incognito for a long time, but I figure what happened was basically I got stalked out of Matt Core's channel, and someone started leaving reviews on my business. So they tracked me down basically based off of my username. And so at the time we were giving TMI crap about avocados. So I think it was actually TMI got triggered by avocados in the chat.
Yeah.
So I changed my name to that. And because I'm always a troll online, completely different online in chat versus real life.
Man, wow. That's pretty wild. You know, that is not cool because I remember I said a specific something a couple of months ago, and yeah, the AMC community was mailing dead mice to my house. And
That's
literally,
not good.
I think I remember you mentioning that someone wanted to set your house on fire.
Set my house on fire. People were trying to get past the gate, saying they were Uber, saying they were Pizza Hut. Like, it was legit. Security was like, bro, what's going on? Yeah, police reports were filed and everything.
To find me, it'd be really hard, even if they were in the exact place where I am. it'd be very difficult because it's just like apartment buildings with like multiple different buildings, multiple floors. It'd be very difficult to try and find where I am.
Yeah. Yeah, I have a gate. I have security as well. But the thing is like, that's why I have to carry a firearm. Because you guys know me. I don't know who the fuck you are, right?
Yeah.
But I was sent 2 dead mice. Like I was literally getting harassed, to the point where I was just like, STV, remember I like sort of kind of like hushed off of YouTube for like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was pretty wild.
It's not worth it. Like, people are crazy.
No, it's not worth it. Like, I'm going to take your life with 25 cents.
Yeah.
That's how much a bullet costs. No, it's not worth it. Think
Oh,
about
Rhode
it.
Island sold most of the silver bars and coins and joined 1348 with that money, a lot more than stashing metals in my safe. There you go. Not a hedge fund. Well, I know what I'm doing if I don't see ankles. All right.
All right. So TMI's avocados, aka Squirrel, aka Putin's best friend. Got a question for you. All right.
How's the Micron going?
Oh, it's going crappy. It's going to 0.
It's going crappy.
You should have listened to Gabe. You should have listened to Gabe.
The thing is,
I was with you on it, and then I was like, oh man.
The thing is with
like
those
it's wild.
lotto tickets, it's just basically it's allocation. You have to size for basically less than your normal stop, and then it's all or nothing. It can go to 0. It's still way less than if you're allocating like 10%, taking a 15% loss. It's basically 1 or 2 contracts. It's for fun. It is, you've had a decent day and you can put those towards just like how you often say, I do it for the feels.
Exactly. Just to feel something.
Yeah. Do not. Yeah. So to answer somebody, you're in Windermere. I'm in the Lake Mary area, so still Central Florida. Anyways, so Squirrel, are you doing YouTube videos?
I am not. I think because I don't want to put up with the crap that you guys put up with. That's something I've been part of a lot of kind of central type of movements, and I've had lines of cops following me during some things. And it's just, I kind of just made the decision early on. I have the setup. You've seen my setup. I basically have the same setup as Gabe when it comes to being able to stream in YouTube, because my business is 90% online remote streaming privately. That's where we are talking about the avocado OnlyFans. But it's just, I made the conscious choice to not actually stream because I don't want to go through the stuff that a lot of you guys have to go through. You see what Trey had to go through for a period of time, and Gabe has to go through. I just wanted to stay in the background, pretty much stay anonymous, not have it take over my life, and basically contribute in the background and kind of stay back and pretty much incognito.
That's not a bad way to do it. I mean, you are contributing a lot. Like, we always go through the charts and stuff when I can. Like, I try to go through the messages as much as I can, but there's so many of them sometimes where I'm like,
and also my charts can be a little bit overwhelming.
They break my head sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. They do break my head. There's a lot of stuff going on.
That is one thing that I would
go for it. Go for it.
That's one thing I would add to the 1348 is looking at multiple time frames, atly and daily, especially where we're at right now with SPY, because we are around some pretty nasty simple moving averages on the weekly and daily. Today, SPY broke the 50 and the 50 on the daily and weekly. That's a pretty big sign, because that's when big money is either getting in or getting out. It's especially on the SPY. It's the 20 and the 50. If you look back on the weeklies and dailies, that's usually where we either break into a really nasty place or really signify kind of a reversal type of market that we're going into.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
right now this box right here is this supply and demand zone. If we can get above here, which is 447, this has been a big level. Like if you look at this on the 4-hour, this move up here, look at this. It's just a W. It's just a nasty. This is kind of a triple bottom. We fell in over here, but this W right here, if we do this double bottom and start to go, where's this level right here? 453. If we start to come up into these boxes, okay, so there is a box above here. I just have to extend it. And then there's these way the hell up here. And the thing is like, think about all the bearish catalysts that are there right now. Well, we just got the rate hike. The market is reacting very positively to it. If they're going to keep continuing to do the 25 basis point hikes, which they probably will, if this Russia situation is lingering. But then the Russia situation kind of looks, it's not priced in, but like with all the news that's coming out, if you get some wild piece of news from Russia, the market's not going to go as crazy anymore just because they already know the deal. They're like, yeah, the Russia-Ukraine conflict is happening right now. And then you get some news. It's like, okay, cool. So I think the commodity trade is almost kind of done for now, unless it's going to have one last rally and then things start to sell off. But if oil and all of those things start to move down, I think the market could be in a decent spot to continue up for at least the next month or so. Because ever since November, all right, when did we hit the all-time high?
All-time high?
Spot on the
It was
SPY.
after November, because that's really where the simple moving averages started converging, and that's where this correction started, was that little head and shoulders where we dipped down, and it really messed up the 20, and we never really recovered, even though we bounced back up, I believe.
Right. Yeah, I think, where is it right now? It's on the 4-hour. It's got to be looking good. Yeah, so the 4-hour on the SPY looks good here. Like the last time we saw something like this, where like we're seeing decent candles above this 200 with a 1348 cross, it was to the downside back here. And look at this move. It was from 470 to 420 over what? Beginning of January, end of January. So, if you want monthly SPY contracts, like that wouldn't be the worst idea in the world. Or you could start looking at things like Apple, Micron, some of those, that if you want to start swing trading, because that's kind of the thing that I think a lot of people are missing with 1348 right now. They want to hold stuff overnight. It's just the market over the last month and a half has told you not to. They're like, don't do that. It's VIX, more geared towards just the intraday flips.
VIX over 25 is a bad swing market. It's just too volatile. It can go up or down. And it's just like, it'll blow you out quick. Like you kind of saw with the Micron calls, the YOLO calls yesterday. One thing that I'm looking at with SPY is the daily SMA 200.
Yeah,
that's going to be basically my signal that we're pretty much, if I was a daily cost or dollar cost averaging investor, that's where I would feel confident going long, that we kind of bottomed out. We might chop for a while. I think what I heard in this one channel that I belong to, it is basically we're going to reverse, and then later on, I think fourth quarter, we may drop, go back into a correction mode again. It happens midterm election cycles.
Oh yeah, shit. We got a midterms at the end of this year. Ooh, that'll be fun.
Yeah. So this year, I heard, is basically going to be a traders market, but it's going to be, we're going to have probably a little bit of a bump and then dip again. Check out Micron. I think I might actually print on these YOLOs.
Oh, hold on. Is it selling now?
Yep.
The internet.
No.
Well, SPY came up into the box, is now getting knocked. What's your strike? Did you get the 79.50s?
Let's see. 79s.
I had the 79s for a little while, and then I just took it. I was like, yeah.
Yeah, I should have took it when it was 155, but I figured it's lotto ticket.
Yeah, I mean that's the thing. Like, if you're playing with the amount that you would typically stop at, like let's just say you're gonna put in $100 in the trade,
Oh, I
20%, and if you're gonna put in $20 to the trade, you're just playing with the stop. Like you can
I
hold
play way less than even my stop. It was just two contracts.
Yeah.
So I think it was like $30.
Oh, that's
Look at
fine.
that doom candle on the SPY.
It didn't like it up here. So this is just price. It's just like where buyers and sellers are willing to transact at. Like these, I love these supply and demand zones, especially recently to the downside. They've been awesome. So you almost have to like switch your thinking. Like we've seen like SPY come out of these zones and get knocked right back down, but it literally could inverse where like you start to see stuff like this. Where is it? Where's the big one? I think it's this one to the downside where it breaks and then it just goes boom right down. But we could see that going to the upside now with the SPY if we start to see a reversal. So you kind of just have to change the way that you're thinking of it, almost like it's the same thing just to the other side. Jordan, thanks for super buddy. Hey Squirrel, big fan. Take a look at lows. Ooh, I do love lows. Right around the time that Gabe was first showing me 1348, you want to see where lows was? This hurts my soul. It was this right here. This is the day right here.
Looks like this is a rejection off the daily SMA 200 and also where I started my fib retracement levels.
On the SPY or on lows?
On SPY.
Okay. Yeah, it might come down to this 13. How much time do we have left? 19 minutes? If it closes inside the box, I think that would be very bullish going into next week.
Actually,
like we were talking last night that you thought it was good. This was going to be yesterday was a bull trap, and it looked like it could. Everything looked like it did. Once I saw what you were looking at, I was like, shit. And then once the market opened today, I was like, I don't know. I just think there's so much money on the sidelines just ready to go.
This is also the 60. Is it the 60 or the 50? Fib retracement. So this is usually where you want to enter in to go short. This is kind of where it backtracks so you can get that extra little dip on the bull flag. So if the flagpole goes down, you take profit, let it ride up, then re-enter the position for the next leg of the lightning bolt. So this could be a pretty. We can be going into some chop right here.
Yeah, I think especially with the supply and demand zone like this, that's typically what you see when it's in these zones. It's just like bounce. Then it decides to make a big move.
Supply and demand zones are matching up with the longer term SMAs at this point. They might shift over time. I just look for the V's. It looks like it.
Yeah, like when I just do them, it's just like, okay, this one right here, sellers got it. This one right here, sellers got it. This one right here, buyers had it, then the sellers pushed it right through. These levels are the big ones right here. These are the big ones that the buyers really stepped up. I mean, this is just a nice W right here, and it's just ripping now. Where's it at? If it breaks, what is this? I think this is the upper end of the box. Yeah, the upper end of the box would be dirty if we could break that.
Is Walmart running?
One. What's up?
Is Walmart running? I see that in chat. So that may be a shift into consumer defensives.
Yeah. Walmart dripping up here. Yeah. It's been doing a whole lot of nothing all day.
Yeah. I'm thinking that this is a shift into consumer defensives for the weekend in case news happens. Becomes a little bit safer play for big money.
Yeah. Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's. If you start to hit trades on those, that's what, Gabe, we were talking about that on the private live stream. If you start to see the money flow back into like the value plays when they're not pricing in a whole lot, and you start to get those cheap options that start to run in the money, you'll make a shitload. And the other side is, well, if they fly back into growth, then you'll make a shitload anyway because the growth stocks are going to run.
How does the heat map look for today?
I've never used the heat map. But that's basically supply and demand zones too, I believe.
No, the heat map is sectors, so you
Oh,
can see if big
okay, yeah.
money's
'Cause
moving
sometimes there's
into
one where it's like you can
defensive.
see it.
It's looking risk on today.
I like it. I like it.
Energy is big red. But even consumer defensives is big green. So that money that we talked about that was flowing out of the market, the cash that was flowing out of the market, they're just loading up across the board.
Well, you see it. You could see it too with like TLT and SPY. They shouldn't have moved together for that long. It's weird. Like,
Right.
people were selling bonds and selling stocks. They were like, "Fuck it, I'm going to cash."
I am trying to remember what that ticker was. That
Is it HYG or LQD? Are those the ones you're thinking of?
I'm thinking it is, but I have to confirm.
Okay,
Thanks,
yeah.
Greg.
LQD is like it's like the blue chip corporate debt, and then HYG is like the high yield shit.
I think it's the blue chip one, and then even the junk stuff is actually going green. So that's actually really saying that everything's going risk on as far as the market's going.
Yeah, LQD's got this nice bounce here. It doesn't move a whole lot. HYG would probably move more. That's the one that a lot of people were freaking out about on the puts for a while, just because like the open interest on the HYG puts were just ridiculous. Like absolutely ridiculous.
Do you know
Guys,
where
really quick. Someone said, Gabe, look at Walmart, and Walmart is just, it doesn't move enough for me to even care about. No, if you're going to hold, you hold, because Walmart is a smart hold, just not moving enough. So Walmart is not a day trader stock, at least for me.
I get what you're saying, but I've traded it a few times. You can swing it. I'll give you that one. It swings. Like I've traded Walmart into the earnings run up, but I mean, if you're looking at the ATR on it, you're right. Like you're 100% correct. We've done it a few times when it starts
put
to run.
Walmart on a 5 minute. Put Walmart on a 5 minute, and then look at the VWAP.
Today. The Walmart's terrible today.
Like it's running right now, but it's still within range.
Yeah, exactly. It has its days. That's the thing. Like I know Ben was hitting Walmart at one point this week. We have a joke on the channel about fucking Walmart short squeeze. I don't know where. I literally don't know where.
Walmart or Tex.
What happened?
Walmart or Tex.
Walmart or Tex. Yeah, everybody asks me for Walmart or Tex all the time, and I'm like, why? But like it, if you see like it's better for swinging it. Walmart's been better for swinging. The earnings run ups on Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and Lowe's I've done that in the past, and it's been really nice. Those are good. Next earnings season, well, we're about to get. We've got a couple more weeks, but next earnings season, it's about to get time. If we start to see the market pick back up, the earnings run ups on the swings could be dirty. Like that's just what happens sometimes. Like this earnings season, this past one was all about playing the actual event. If you wanted to play the run up, you can't because there isn't one because the market's fucking tanking. But now, if things are going to come back to life, one, they already have to revert because they've already probably sold off too much. If you look at the indexes and then where like the big components that make up those indexes, what they've done, there's a giant difference. There's like some of the stocks have fallen so hard in the indexes. I mean, they've fallen a little bit, but not really enough to where it like makes sense with all of the components. So then if all of those stocks start to rally back up ahead of earnings, I just probably won't play any events. I'll just play the run up into the event.
Makes sense. Oh man, Squirrel, dude, like I would go through all your charts on Twitter, right? and I swear, guys, like I was going through his stuff, and I'm like, this man is spot on. And then I'm like, oh, this is how the hedges get you.
Yeah.
Right? That's what I was thinking. I was like, wait. Why is this man feeding me this information that's so fucking spot on? Anybody could come to you and be like, hey, I'm a fan. STV, I'm a fan. Here, take my info. Right? and then like you're fucking blown away, and you're just like, wait, is this gonna be securities fraud right now? Because he's giving
especially
me
with the
like
wick off.
future date type shit. And you're just like, whoa, wait, who are you? You know. So I'm happy to like actually see a face to
Yeah, me
to
too.
all of this. Yeah,
Well, the
absolutely.
big
Anytime I'm
thing
trading
is
SPY, I'm always like, hey, Squirrel, what do you think? Hey, Squirrel.
my live stream's talking back to me, basically. Yeah,
Oh,
it's just the big thing is I've studied most of the study most of this year. I've been actually trying to learn from resources rather than ape YouTubers. I've been spending more time with prop desk, hedge fund, the psychology stuff.
yeah.
I've been really focusing on that. And then, yeah, so you kind of use their stuff against them, especially when if you can actually find Wyckoff or Wyckoff distribution early on. I was seeing that with Lucid. I actually caught that right at the initial ice break and retest. So if I would have did long-term puts on that, I probably would have. Yeah, I'd be in a good place. I should have trusted my gut when it came to that. And I was watching people going, I was watching people go still pumping it. I saw people pumping Neo up until like a week or two ago.
Yeah.
And then it was just like, I'm like, are you crazy? That's just a straight up falling knife. And the same thing with IWM. That was a classic Wyckoff distribution right there. It was a break, retest, and you could have printed doing puts about a month out, and you probably would have been up several 1,000% on those.
It's hard to hold those.
Yeah.
If you leave the runners, you can go for it. But like my mindsets now is so short term, just quick. It's gonna be a lot harder.
And that's what I need to train. That's what I need to train myself with. I get over convicted and I get the greed takes over, and you can't do that on short dated, even 7 day. If you buy it on Monday, you can't hold through that.
You
need to do what Gabe says. Yeah, basically. I need to train myself to take profits, because I'll take something from a 300 to 500% gain, and then I'm like, it's gonna break, and then it just reverses on you, and you end up taking 10% loss. I have no problem, and that's something that stuck in my head right when Gabe started talking about actively trading and really came out publicly about it and pushing it, was don't let your green trades turn red, or something like we have no problem finding green trades, but don't let them turn red on you.
Exactly.
Yeah. STV was just about to do that today.
I was. And then
I did.
Oh man!
I turned 150% into 100% loss.
Ooh. Not a hedge fund. Thanks for the super buddy. Not going to be here next week. Taking the family to Disney. Paid for by 1348. Thank you very much. Have a good week, guys. And STV Squirrel, it was nice to finally put a face to the name. There we go.
Totally. Actually, these might turn green.
They might. They could. Been a great week. Thanks for y'all putting in the time to make my time fly. Riptide. Anytime, man. All right, let's see. Dude, AMC's popping up a little bit here. I want SPY to close in the box, man. That's what I want. To be bullish.
They are turning green.
That's hilarious. You should get out. You should be careful. You have 7 minutes.
Now the pressure's on me.
Squirrel. I think you should honestly, like, again, comfortable or not, but I think you would get our stamp of approval if you covered AMC on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
We'd rather have you than the fucking toothless investor, the bot investor. right?
The hairy bathtub investor.
Yeah, the blowjob investor. We all know who I'm talking about when I say blowjob investor. I'm talking about fucking finance news. You see his thumbnails?
Yeah. My Discord's been pushing me to start streaming.
You should.
They've been pushing me hard, but
if you have the time for it, you might as well, because you're doing it anyway. That's why I started streaming. I was like, I'm doing this anyway. I might as well just turn the camera on and have fun.
Yeah, because I pretty much switched my business to evenings and weekends. And I'm pretty much full time because I have that flexibility. My clients prefer evenings and weekends anyways. So that's pretty much how I've actually studied for this period of time. Oh shit.
I always choose violence, guys, right? Idiots. Well, I mean, what do you call that? Was that Darwin or Marx?
Oh, natural selection?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Darwin.
That's Darwin, yes. Right? Those fuckers do not need to have access to Wi-Fi. Get them off. Please.
Yeah. I'm not a fan.
Squirrel is an immense resource. I feel like Squirrel, STV, and TMI is all you fucking need. You don't need me. I just bring spice. That's it.
That's not true.
You guys don't need me.
We definitely need Gabe. We 100% need Gabe.
No, I'm just a spice. That's it.
We need it though. We need it though. John, thanks for the super buddy. Thanks for a great week. Made crazy money. Can unwind until Monday. There you go, man. This week was good. This week was really good. I liked this week. Next week, even better.
Next week is going to be interesting. Squirrel. Come on, man. Let's do it.
You definitely should
How
stream
about-
if you can.
How about this? How about
You can come on anytime.
yeah, how about you send me
No,
links?
why did you just give him an avenue?
Now-
You just gave him an avenue.
Aw.
How about
this was
this?
an offer
How
you
about
could have
this?
refused. How about this? Right? Next week, do a live stream, right? And I'll jump in. I'll come in with the assist.
How about this? For now, just ease me into it by bringing me on to STVs for a while. Let's do that for a little bit of time, and then I will. Actually, I don't think I can live stream because I don't have enough subscribers on YouTube.
So
gotta
let's
make
do
video.
videos.
The other thing is you really got to get used to trading and streaming. It's
Yeah.
weird. You think it wouldn't be that weird? It's weird sometimes.
That's hard for me.
Because I'm even
messed
watching
with
these
that.
puts go into the money, and so it's a little bit of a trick. I might actually be forced to actually trade on my computer rather than my phone, and watch charts on my computer actually instead of my couch and in dress.
Squirrel. You should be proud. Look at the people rallying behind you.
Everybody wants to sub.
Yeah, they want to
Everybody
subscribe
wants
to you
sub.
to
Everybody
fix
go
that,
subscribe
man.
to STV Squirrel.
Yeah, do a mass subscribe to STV Squirrel. That will put me a little bit closer to being able to live stream.
Can you where's the link? Do you have a link to it? Let me look.
Put it in the chat. I
I'm trying to
want to
look for
see you hit 1,000, bro, and I want you to kill it. And like you're the first man who ever said that I have to ease into STV. That sounded weird as fuck. Just saying.
I think he said stream. You guys got
I
it?
thought that's what you did in Florida.
Oh, he's coming back with the spice.
Hey, at least it's not what
got
TMI
jokes.
did
I
to
like
you in the
it.
woods.
Welcome to the fucking club, Squirrel.
Let's have
You're my
some
kind of
fun.
guy.
Guys, make sure
You're
you guys
a
hit that like
thick-skinned
button on the
motherfucker
stream.
with
This
gray
is-
hair
this
and
is
your
probably been
beard.
one of the best days that we've
qualify,
had
man.
so far.
I love this guy.
Let's see. 2 minutes.
We'll see.
Aw, 2 minutes. STV's new crack story. Oh man.
Yeah,
Where's
we're
the
waiting
link?
for
I
a
don't
link in
I
the
couldn't
chat. I
find
want
it.
to subscribe
couldn't find it
too.
either.
Let me see. I'll see if I can actually
So you
figure
can
that out.
you can put it in the private chat in Restream right here. If you can see it, there's like a little link for a private chat, and then you can put it in there, and then I'll throw it in the chat. Or you can throw it in the chat too. I'll just spam it.
Yeah, squirrel. Honestly, like I love you to death, right? But if you got like camera anxiety, right? Just show the chart and then put like Eeyore in a corner because you sound like Eeyore when you talk.
I don't have the camera anxiety as much anymore, just because I've been pretty much privately live streaming every day for the past 2 years since we went into lockdown, when I switched my business from in person to streaming.
That's cool.
Let's see. Yeah, so I've gotten a whole lot more comfortable with that. Oh, found it.
You found awesome. Yeah, send it in the private chat over here, and I'll throw it in here. Rogue Civilian says, "Don't touch this money, Jack. This $5 is for the squirrel. Go to sub to your YouTube now." There we go. What's his Twitter? Oh, I do have that. That I do have. That I will throw in here right now. Everybody go sub to Squirrels or follow Squirrel on Twitter. There you go.
Hey, I embrace fucking Shrek. I am fucking Shrek. Hell yeah.
All right, there we go. Hold on, let me do this over here. Wait, let me make sure I open a new tab. There we go. You guys should, and then here's the YouTube right here. There you go. All right, folks. 4 p.m. We printed today. You guys have all weekend to learn about 1348. Those of you that don't, and get in there. The link to the Discord's in the top of the live chat. I know I'm throwing a lot of links at you guys right now, but they're all worth your while. So, guys, thanks for coming on the stream today. That was fun. Squirrel,
thanks
nice
for the
to
link
meet you,
today.
man.
It's a great meeting you guys. I'm glad we're able to chat actually in person versus through DMs.
Yeah,
so
definitely. You
I'll
can come back
probably
on anytime.
Awesome. So I'll drop some messages asking for links whenever I think it's relevant, and it looks like we're making some good moves.
Let's do it. All right,
Perfect.
people.
Have a great weekend, guys.
Gabe, you got
Have a
any
great
final
weekend.
words?
Any final words for me?
Yeah.
Oh, this was going to turn into like a Mr. Rogers session. Really, really, really quick.
Is that good?
All right.
Who's Mr. Rogers?
Oh, the fucking man.
I'm kidding. 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 I'm kidding.
Looking back at the man just like taking off his vest and his shoes on TV, he looked like a fucking pedophile. But just, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Anyways, guys, learn. STV showed it today. He's a fucking phenomenal trader, but he had that 100%. He had that 100%. He should have took it. He took the 32. Thank God. Basically, what we know from that, okay, is that, you know, don't put so much weight on any one play. That's it. Right? You can always reposition. The only reason why STV felt the pressure of staying into play was because he didn't have dry powder.
True.
Right? That's true. And then I want you guys to look at your portfolio, however you are diversified, however you are invested, and ask yourself, did you allow dry powder? And I'm literally talking to the AMC crew, and STV is going to go ahead and send me black in a second really quick because he's like, no, don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't
I
do
got
it.
my finger on the trigger.
Yeah, I know. But the thing is that, you know, with the AMC movement, I get it, and I understand how so many people were 100% invested in AMC, and you are emotionally attached to that play. Guys, I get it. I'm with you too. I'm emotionally attached to that play. We all are, because we've been doing this for over a year, and we consider you guys family and foe. Let's be real. Okay? Some of it is just take your fucking profits. And if you can diversify, and always keep cash on the sideline. STV just gave you worst case scenario where you missed out on opportunity by virtue of feeling locked into play. And that's what happened to him today. Keep dry powder at all times, brother. Right? STV is a phenomenal trader. Squirrel is like fucking.
Squirrel is really
This
good.
dude is kung fu fighting. This guy kung fu fights with the chart. It's like fucking dope. I love it, right? It gets us all, guys. And just make that money. Take your fucking profits. Take your profits.
One book
Doesn't
I
mean-
recommend for people when it comes to psychology that talks exactly about that execution is The Mental Game of Trading. It's on Audible, and I recommend getting the print or Kindle version too. And then Trading in the Zone. But The Mental Game of Trading is actually originally done by a guy who wrote a book called The Mental Game of Poker. And then he actually rewrote the book from scratch specifically for trading and execution, taking profits, talking about assessing our execution when it comes to taking profits and taking losses. And I think basically what Gabe said right there is the application of what we're working towards. It's not necessarily about suppressing our emotions. It's about recognizing our emotions and what signals those are giving us.
Right.
So
that's perfect.
That is.
What's it called?
So The Mental Game of Trading.
Perfect.
He also has a decent Twitter. And I believe he has some interviews that really complement the book on a couple of the swing trader YouTube channels. I forget which channel it is, but yeah. So that's something that I need to work on, and I need to really work with my journal. So, well, actually, that's another really important thing that everyone should start doing is you guys need to start journaling your trades, the losses, the wins. And I think it's Trader View will automatically pull your trades for the day out of your account and put it into your journal. And then you can actually type notes about your execution, your mental state, where you're at for the day, and during the trade, what was good, what was bad, what was your setup. And it'll actually pull the chart out and plot it into the and your entries and your exits. It'll put it into your journal.
I'm definitely got to that too.
No, guys, he means what he fucking says. Like, he was sending me his journal every day. I remember that.
Even while I was paper trading. And then what I was doing before I started using Trader View, I'd take a screen capture of my phone and I'd draw a rectangle. Either I was short or long with puts or calls, and just mark my entry, my exit, and what I took, what I lost based off of the rectangle. And that was really how I just basically learned, at least while I was paper trading. I spent about 3 months paper trading and about a year learning different concepts, more focused on the psychology and strategy. Because if you can get that down, you're going to be successful and consistent as long as you maintain it. I fall out of the maintenance sometimes, and I took an account from 1,500 to 7,000 in 2 weeks, and I ended up blowing it up in 3 days. So that's something. And actually at the same time, it was valuable learning experience, because you need to internalize what happens if you don't follow what you need to do. So, okay. Well, thanks guys for having me on.
Yeah,
Thanks a
anytime,
lot.
man. Let's do it again.
Definitely.
Gabe,
Let's
you know
do it
you always
again.
can come back on, pal.
No. I want to corrupt this guy.
Into
wanna-
streaming?
Yeah.
That is an evil look on your face right now. You have all sorts of stuff running through that
I got
head
plans
of
for you,
yours.
brother. I got plans for you. I have plans for you, man.
All right,
Yeah.
people. I think that's going to wrap it up for the day. I'm going to throw the Discord link in the chat over here. Make sure you guys go check that out if you are interested. Learn the strategy for free. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. Peace.
Peace.
See ya.